recording also. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the webinar where we will learn about the 3 secret strategies how you can become an automation tester. And I am from a non-IT background, by the way, guys. I was a manual tester. How I was able to switch to automation, right? I'm going to give you the exact blueprint which will help you to become them. Okay. Does this make sense? Give me yes in the chat if you are with me. And the more you interact, the more you will learn, to be honest. Okay. Forget about for at least 40-50 minutes, right? Just forget about the other word, because this will definitely can change your life. Trust me. This webinar, if I have got it right when I have started 2011 or 12, right? If I have basically got this webinar with the exact strategy that I'm going to discuss, right? Trust me, you will able to switch to automation profile, right? How many of you want to switch to automation profile? Give me A in the chat. Give me A in the chat. I want to switch to an automation profile because that is very, very important. Okay. All of you. Okay. Good, good, good. Awesome. 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 I can see a lot of people, Stephen, Sushant, everyone, right? Yes. Good, good, good. Okay. Good. Awesome. Okay. Great. All right. So let's get started. How many of you want to get started? Give me yes in the chat. Yes. I hope everyone can see the screen also. Right. And see, very important point is you have to be interactive, guys. The most important thing, you have to be interactive, because the more you interact, the more you will learn. That's what exactly it is, right? So exact blueprint to become an automation tester, exactly we are going to discuss in the 3 secret strategy also. Okay. And if you have just joined the webinar, guys, what you need to do is you just tell me from which location you have joined. Okay. Tell me your name and where, from which location you have joined. So Akhil joined from Hyderabad, I hope. Yes, good, good, good. I can see a lot of people. Okay, good. So what should be the agenda for this, right? Pramod sir, what is should be the agenda? By the way, this is your host Pramod. I have 12 plus years of experience as an automation tester. I'm working as a manager where I'm handling more than 30 plus people. Okay, by the way, just to let you know, I'm handling more than 30 plus automation tester. Okay. So I know what I am doing. Okay. So you are learning from a person who has already done it. Is that clear? Give me clear in the chat if you're clear. You are going to learn the exact strategy from the person who has already done it. Does it make sense? Good, 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 good. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Great, great, great. Great to have you guys. Great to have you. Okay. Good. Okay. So let's get started. Okay. So we will discuss about why you should become an automation tester. What is your reason? Manual versus automation. What are the jobs? What are the jobs? How jobs are basically there? What is the salary that you can get as an automation tester? What is the topics that we need to learn? What is the strategy we need to learn? Sir, I have a career gap. Can I do it or not? As a fresher, what are the things I have to learn? Right? What exactly is the salary for a 3 year of person, 5 years as a manual tester or as an automation tester, right? I have a career gap of 2-3 years, how I can do it? All these queries we are going to discuss. And one important discussion we will do is, sir, I have a coding fear, how I can do it? That is also we are going to discuss overall in this case, right? I'm going to give you the exact strategy that I have used, and this is exactly we will be discussing in this webinar. Clear? Everyone is clear with this point? Give me clear in the chat if it is clear. Okay, so all these things we are going to discuss, and myths also we are going to discuss. But before we start, I want to hear a very important point from you, all of you. Okay, very important point I want to hear from you. Okay, how many of you are ready for this? Okay, let me know what exactly do you see when you see this picture. Okay, let's do one poll. Okay, this is my one of the favorite question that I generally do. Let me know what exactly do you see from this poll. Okay, what do you see, guys? So let me start a poll also side by side. Okay, I hope everyone has seen this image. After that, let me know what exactly did you see. Swati, Madhuri, Riya, Tushar has already given, Tarun has given already answer, right? Okay, what else? What else, guys? Shruti has given the answer. Shruti Khatta, good, good. Vishnu has given the answer. Good, 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 good. What else, guys? Why you are waiting? Okay, give me the answer. What exactly do you see from this picture? Omkar has given the answer. Good. Damani, Shah Niwas, Abdullah, good, good, good. Lot of people have given the answer, right? Okay, good, good, good. Exactly. So 11, 71%. Okay. So I hope we are done, right? So 4, 5. So I'm going to close this, guys. I'm going to close this. 4, 5. Okay, reverse I'm doing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Guys, there are many people who are still remaining. Okay, I'll give you 2 more seconds. Quickly finish. Okay, quickly finish this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good, 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 good. All right. So end the poll. Yes. So 70% of the people are saying it is rabbit. Okay. Duck is basically 11% people are saying, sir, it is a duck. And 18% people are saying it is more. Okay. Okay. How many of you notice something more? What exactly is more? Type in the chat. What exactly is more? Rabbit, you can see. If you tilt this, then it is a duck. What exactly do you see? What exactly do you see, guys? Tell me. What exactly did you see? Okay. Crocodile? Who is saying crocodile in this case? Sir, grass. Good, good, good. That is the power of observation. Yes. Let us. I was just checking you guys, right? How exactly, as a software tester, you should have a good observation, isn't it? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. Give me yes in the chat. Yes or no? Okay. So what you are missing? What all of you are missing? Tell me in the chat. Clarity. Guys, clarity is something that you guys, all of you are missing in this case. Okay. What do you mean by clarity in this case? I'll tell you a very simple thing. Okay. All of you who want to become an automation tester, right? The only thing which is missing from you is nothing but the clarity. If you agree with this point, give me C in the chat. There is a very famous principle. Okay. I'll tell you very important principle. Okay. There is a very famous principle that I have learned from the Alex Hormozy. Okay. What exactly is this? Which means this part, smaller part that you see, right? It is what exactly you know. Okay. This part, okay, let me mark this as red. This part that you see, right, it is called a circle of competence. This part is what you know. Okay, all of you know how, what is an automation tester. If you follow the YouTube videos, you will become an automation tester. Okay, if you do this, if you learn coding, you will become an automation tester, and blah blah blah, right? All of you have an idea what you think you know, but there is a outer layer around you which is basically what you think you know but you don't know. Okay, this is what stopping you to become an automation tester. I don't know if how many of you got it. Give me G in the chat. This is where I will be helping you in today's webinar. You think you know, but you don't know. I'll tell you what is it. Okay, all of you have no idea what are the topics, exactly the topic we need to learn to become an automation tester. If you agree with this point, give me G in the chat. I'm going to share that exactly the thing. What is the salary I will get? What exactly is a roadmap I have to follow? Which topic I have to learn? Which projects I have to do? Right? Yes or no? If you are agree all of this, give me G in the chat. Okay, as a fresher, what I have to follow? As a manual tester, what I have to follow? How many coding questions I have to do? Yes, give me G in the chat if it is clear with this your point, right? Are you getting what exactly? Yes or no? Are you able to relate with me? How many of you are able to relate with me? Pramod sir, we are able to relate with you. Give me R in the chat if you are able to relate. Because guys, this is very important that you need to pay attention. This is between you and me. Please remember, no one is else. Okay. Not, just think like you and me are basically, I am basically sharing some of my experience in this webinar with you. And if you relate with me, you have to interact with me. And trust me, this exactly is a trigger that you need in your life. Okay. This is very, very important. I am going to share you what you think you know, but you don't know actually. Okay. This is exactly the 3 secret strategy that we are going to cover in this case. Clear? Everyone is clear? So what are these 3 secret strategy, Pramod sir? Please let us know. How many of you are ready? Give me R in the chat. Give me R in the chat. How many of you are ready? Please let us know what are the 3 secret strategies that we need to follow, Pramod sir, in this case. Yes? Okay. But before we start, right, I want all of you, this is what my strategy is. Okay. After this webinar, see, all of you are here. I respect your time. Yes or no? Guys, your time is important. Yes or no? How many of you think that, Pramod sir, my time is important? Give me I in the chat. Your time is important, my time is important. So if I am sharing for 1 hour, we are basically connecting. And if you are creating a notes, you should get some value, right? You should get some value, right? And I am just trying to help because I love people. I am on a mission to help people to become an automation tester. This is my mission. Okay, this is my mission. I love, if you are a manual tester, fresher, or a non IT, I want to see you happy faces as an automation tester, because I believe 2024 and 2025 is where automation testing will grow, and you can get 30 to 40% extra salary hike. You can get a job security, as well as you can get a better work, or not a boring work as compared to manual testing that you get it. How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. And now I will ask you a very important question. Okay, very, very important question. How many of you are ready? Give me yes in the chat. How many of you are ready for this? I'm going to ask you a very important question and you have to reply with me. Okay, let me see. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, so let me share a poll with you. How many of you are ready? Because this is an interactive session, right? This is an interactive session. So my question to you is, let me share you with you a question, okay, which is two things you need to answer, okay, because this is very, very important. So the poll that I am sharing is this, okay, link is given, okay, this is the link. What I want all of you to do is, okay, what I want all of you to do is fill this form, okay, and this form basically contains a couple of questions. Questions are, why you want to become an automation tester? What is your reason for this? Okay. So I will be basically getting the webinar responses. Okay. So I will go through the responses, couple of responses. Okay. So let me see, where is the responses coming? Let me see. How many of you are done? Give me D in the chat if you're done. If you're done with this, let me know. Okay. This is where your responses will come. Okay. So after 102, your responses will come, guys. Okay, this exercise, we generally do it. And trust me, if you do this exercise right, you will understand why you want to become an automation tester. Okay, I will tell you mine also. How many of you are doing it? Give me D in the chat. How many of you are done? Okay, I can see responses are coming. Good, good, good. So after this, the responses are coming. Okay, after the green line. Okay, I want to switch the career, non-IT, upgrade my salary. Okay, good, good, good. Let me zoom it. How many of you can see this? Yes, you will also know. How many of you are done? Just type done in the chat. Tejas is done, Shiva is done, Josek Isaac is done. Good, good, good. Lot of people are done. Lot of people are done. Okay, done, 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 done. Good, good, good. How many of you are done? Okay, good. How many of you are remaining? Okay, to 4 5 minutes. We'll not 4 5, 40 seconds maximum, guys. Okay, we'll take more this. Okay, upgrade my career. Want to switch from manual tester, job requirement, career growth. Okay, what are the expectations? Expectation we will discuss later. Okay, want to get a higher salary. Okay, this is the reason. Green I am marking. Okay, this was my reason also, by the way. Okay, that's why I have marked this green. Done. To enhance my career, to reduce the work switch, want to switch the career growth, stable. Okay, good, good, good. I can see a lot of good reasons. Want to switch because I have a EE background. Growth, inhale my career, passionate, job, switch. Okay. Okay, good. I hope I got the point, right? How many of you think that the number one reason is you want to increase your salary? Give me one in the chat if that is the reason. That is the reason, okay? That is the reason if you agree, because I'll tell you my story, okay? I was a manual tester. I was a manual tester in Accenture, by the way. Anyone here from Accenture? I was a manual tester in Accenture, and I was getting only, guys, only. Can you guess my salary? What was the salary I was getting? Can anyone guess? The salary was 2.96 LPA. Do you think it's a decent salary as a manual tester, guys? 2.96 LPA INR. Okay, by the way, we are discussing in INR. What do you think? It is a decent salary. As a fresher, I got this salary for a manual tester. Okay. Whereas my friend who joined as an automation engineer, he got almost like 5.5. Do you think as a fresher, 5.5 is a decent salary, right? Yes or no? But how many think that? 5.5 is a decent salary, right? Then I told him, man, what you have done differently. I am also into a testing. You are also into a testing, but you are doing an automation testing. That's it. And you are getting double of my salary. What is the reason? So that was my trigger point. Okay. That was my trigger point. And this is the exactly, if this is exactly I want, you have to have a trigger in your life. Does this make sense to you? This is where the trigger is. Okay. My trigger was salary, and I'm not shy. Okay. There are hundreds of people who will say that, okay, you have to find a passion, you have to find something. No, I have to get a good salary. How many of you agree with this point? I have to get a good salary. Give me I in the chat if you agree with this point. This is between you and me. Okay. Nobody else can see your messages, by the way. I can see your message. You can see my message. That's it. Okay. Understood? How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Agree with this point? Okay. So exactly the point is, okay. So all the people who have written this, right? The salary package, good salary package. All of you know that if you become an automation tester, you will definitely get a good salary. Isn't it? Yes. And you will get a better career opportunity. Okay. So what is the expectation from the webinar? Okay. Let's see. To become a good runner, charity. Okay. Oh, clarity to become an automation tester, want to learn an automation, to knowledge, automation basics. Okay. Roadmap, guidelines, better future, and everything, right? Okay, good. So all these things we are going to cover. Okay. So what exactly in this webinar we will discuss is, I will make sure that I will give you a correct roadmap to become an automation tester. Is that fine? Is that promise is fine? Give me F in the chat if it is fine. I'll give you a correct for correct roadmap, which will help you to. I will help you to remove your coding fear that you already have, to learn Java mostly. The coding fear that you have. How many of you have coding fear? Type in the chat, guys. 2 in the chat if you are that person. Yes, because I had a coding fear. Okay, I have joined, there was a heavy coding fear I had. Okay, I was not able to code. Okay, while typing, whenever I was typing, right, I felt very different. Okay, I was not able to type properly. Okay, how I was able to remove my coding fear, we are going to discuss all this thing. Okay, so what we are going to discuss, what are the different things we are going to, I'm going to give you clarity on all these topics. Okay, if you agree with this point, any point, right, you have to type the number. Is that fine? Is that fine? So I'm going to give you the clarity. What are the topics you need to learn? Okay. What is the roadmap I have to follow to become an automation tester? What is the salary I will get to be after becoming an automation tester? If you agree, just type 3 in the chat. If you agree with this point, this is your question, just type 2 in the chat. How much time it will take to become an automation tester, Pramod sir? Give me 4 in the chat. If is coding is required, the answer is yes, 5 in the chat. And the red one which I have marked, which is, Pramod sir, I have a coding fear. How should I remove it? What is the process I have to follow? Type 6 in the chat. Okay, mine question was 6, by the way. And what to do after learning the API and web automation to become an automation tester, the 7. Okay, by the way, my questions were all of them. Okay, just to let you know, I had all the questions to my friend who was an automation tester at the end. Okay, understood? And not only that, I will be discussing as a fresher, can I become an automation tester? Give me F in the chat. All the freshers, give me F in the chat if you are here. Who is right? Who's here as a fresher? Good. Okay, awesome. Okay, great, awesome. Awesome. All right. And I am from a non IT. If you are from non IT, give me N in the chat. Non IT or a career gap. Sir, can I do it or not? Can I become an automation tester or not? All these things we are going to discuss. Not only that, where to apply, and how to connect with HR. All these things we are going to cover. And this exactly is the thing that we are going to clear. Everyone is ready for the 3 secrets now. Everyone has got the idea what exactly we are going to discuss in this webinar. I hope now it will start making sense to you. Are you guys able to relate with me or not? Give me yes in the chat. Yes. And till now, do you think your time is something which is important, right? Yes. And is the webinar is going with the flow? Are you able to get slowly the value? How many of you think that? Give me I in the chat. all the people who are loving the webinar and who are basically seeing that, okay, yes, starting to get what exactly I need from this webinar, right? Yes. And if you have any questions, please ask on the Q&A. Okay, that is very, very important. Keep asking on the Q&A. I will be replying, okay, all of the questions. I'm replying all the questions side by side. Okay, fair enough. Does this make sense? Good. All the questions, Pooja and everyone, right? Please ask on the Q&A session. I will reply. Okay. So now let's discuss about this 3 secret strategy. Understood? Pooja is saying, sir, go fast. So should I go fast, guys? Don't you want to learn from the core? Should I go fast? No. It is saying, no, sir. You have to learn from the basics, guys. Yes or no? You can, if your basic or if your base is basically not properly baked, then what will the point? What is the point of creating 10 floors? Yes or no? So nothing is fast, my friend. Nothing is fast. We will go with the flow. We will learn everything. Okay. Don't worry in this point. Okay. Speed is perfect. Okay. Good. Before that, I think we should discuss who is an automation tester. How many of you know about this? Let me know in the chat. Okay. Let me know in the chat. Okay. Pawan is saying, sir, you are wasting my time. Okay. Pawan, you can disconnect. Okay. That is fine, right? Are you guys getting, so guys, very important to Pawan. Okay. Pawan is saying, sir, I'm not getting any value. Okay. That is fine, right? Pawan, you can disconnect. You will not get any value, right? Isn't it? Yes. Okay. See, I'll tell you very important thing. Okay. This webinar, guys, trust me, the knowledge that we are discussing, that I'm discussing, right? Here, it will basically help you the roadmap. Okay. Trust me, when I was in 2011, when I was searching how to become an automation tester, right? There was no directly videos available. Nobody was able to give me the answer for what are the topics I need to learn, what is the roadmap I have to follow, what is the project that I need to do, how to prepare my resume, all these things. Okay. And I was keep struggling for this kind of content. And trust me, whatever the details that I am sharing you, right, this is, you will love it and you will say that, Promoter, in the end, nobody has shared these kind of details. Okay. So this is for the serious people only, and who are who basically love to get value, isn't it? Make sense? Okay. Tell me, guys, who is an automation tester? Who can code? Okay. Tiri is saying who can code. Understood. Okay. Who tests the softwares? Okay, good, good, good. How many of you don't know about the automation tester? Because there are people who don't know about the automation tester. Just type no in the chat. No, sir, I have no idea. Let me give you a simple example. Okay. There are people who don't know about it. Okay. Now tell me, guys, let's do some exercise. Okay. Suppose I have this website. Okay. How many of you can see this? I have this website, guys. I have this website. If you enter username and password, if you enter username and password, if I add a incorrect username and password, you will get a message of your email ID as password. Okay. You will get a message. Okay. Your email ID and password is wrong. Okay. This is exactly you will tell me. Now tell me if you have to test. If I give you, this is the page, right? This is the page, correct? Everyone with me? Give me yes in the chat if you are with me. This is the email. This is the email. This is the password, and this is the submit button. If I ask you, I'll give you 5 user name and password. You have to test if everything is working fine. Tell me how much time it will take. Give me your rough answer. As you are doing a manual testing for this, how much time you will take? Okay, just give me a rough idea. 5 minutes. Okay, somebody is saying, sir, 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay, somebody is saying, sir, 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, who's taking 30 minutes, guys? 30 minutes is very, I think 5 minutes is something. Average 5 minutes is fine. Average 5 minutes is fine, right? Is that fine? Yes. Yes. Agree with this point. Average 5 minutes. Let's take 5 to 7 minutes, right? Okay. Now, if I give you 10,000 username and password, and I will tell you to do it in 3 hours, can you do it? Can you do it, guys? Not possible. Yes or no? It is not possible. So what will happen in this case? What you will do? You will write a code. Yes or no? You will write a script which will basically enter the email ID and password and verify, right? Yes or no? Agree with this point? Give me A in the chat if you agree with this point. How many of you understood? So you have to write a code to become an automation tester to test this, right? And now tell me, guys, now tell me, if suppose in a company, if suppose they have 100 test cases, suppose if they have 100 test cases in this case, it can be done by one manual tester easily. 100 test cases can be done by one manual tester, right? Easily, it can do it. Yes. Now tell me, if they have 10,000 test cases, they will keep hiring the manual tester or they will hire an automation to automate? Which one? Case number one or case number two? Which one do you think? They will go towards automation or they will go towards manual testing? Case number one or case number two? Case number two, right? All of them, right? All of you agree. Now tell me, guys. I am telling you these things, and manual tester, you will tell me what exactly I am planning, what exactly I'm doing. So when company basically started doing, after some time, the manual testing jobs will decline in that companies. Yes, yes or no? It will keep on declining. And automation jobs are now increasing. Yes. So how many of you agree? All the manual tester, this is a question to you. Yes. Akriti, Gaurav, Arjun, all of the people. So after 2022, or how many of you see this, 21 around this, you will see that automation jobs are increasing and manual testing jobs are now decreasing. In 2023 or 2024 right now, you will see manual testing jobs are almost gone. How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. All the manual testers, I'm asking to you. Yes. And I was discussing with the HRs. Okay. There was a very famous HR, okay, from the browser side company. I told him, okay, are you guys hiring for manual testers? He said, no, we are not hiring manual testers. We are only hiring for automation tester. So what exactly it means? Their job description is also says that you have to learn or you have to go towards the automation. So automation is something which is need of the hour. Yes or no? Automation tester is something that is basically need of the hour. Actually, nowadays, if somebody is saying software testing, right, they want you to become an automation tester. Yes. If you agree with this point, this is the exactly the thing, right? But I understood, Pramod sir. Okay. As a beginner, I now understood this, Pramod sir, that okay, automation tester is someone, this is the manual testing exactly, which means we have a developer who write a code and I will basically test an application, I will give a feedback. This is the manual testing. But as an automation tester, we have to basically write a code which will basically test the application. This is what automation that we need to do, right? This is exactly that we have to learn, right? But exactly. And what they do, they basically code, they troubleshoot, they create a test cases, manage quality, they have collaboration, effective communication and everything to become an automation tester. This is important. But why you should become an automation tester, right? The answer is all of you have the answer, right? Yes or no? Why you should become an automation tester, guide? To get a job requirement, to get a high salary. I hope everyone is agree with this point. Give me A in the chat. If your reason is coming to get a high salary, to upskill your career, to improve your knowledge, to secure your job, right? Day to day automation is right nowadays increasing, right? If you see career growth, upgrade myself, career growth and stability, I would like to switch to an automation career, right? Updation, as a fresher, I want to become an automation tester. All these are exactly the reason, right? Interest on software testing, increment in my salary, if high salary and want to learn. If this is your reason, give me A in the chat, guys. If this is your reason, give me A in the chat. How many of you are loving the session, right? Yes or no? How many of you are able to understand? So yes, automation is something which is very, very important. But Pramod sir, what is the, how many, so we have a lot of jobs in the automation, okay? In 2023 and 24, automation jobs are keep on increasing in this case. But the question is, Pramod sir, what is the salary I will get? How many of you have this question? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, as a manual tester, as a software tester, what is the salary I will get? As a fresher also, right? What is the salary I will get in this case? Okay. So, okay. Can anyone guess what is the average salary if you start with a good product based company? Can anyone guess? Guess in the chat. As a fresher, Tushar is saying, sir, 4.5 to 5 LPA, 6 LPA, 12, 10, 9, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Let me tell you, if you target good product based company, I'm not saying this, I'm not saying Accenture, Infosys, TCS. These are service based company. I hope you know the difference between service based and the product based company. Yes or no? How many of you are clear? Service based company don't pay well. Okay. Just to let you know, service based company don't pay well. So I generally recommend to all my students that you have to target for good product based company. So good product based company will basically give you average salary of 6.4 lakhs in INR, which is a very good salary. How many of you think that? This is a Bengaluru area. And if you want to research, you can research this on PayScale or Glassdoor. How many of you think it is amazing? Give me yes in the chat. How many think this is a decent salary? And I think it's a good salary to start with. Okay. But Pramod sir, where do we find the good companies? How many of you want to know? Good product based company, you are saying, right, Pramod sir? But good companies, where do we find? So bonus number one is coming. The people who are interact with me, they will get this link for free. Okay. So I have created a sheet for you where I have noted down all the good companies in the daily NCR or overall India in this case. Okay. I have noted down all the important companies where they are hiring and which company in this case. How many of you want this sheet? Give me I in the chat. So I have noted down all the good product based companies. Not only that, I have also mentioned a couple of remote based, the people, the companies who are hiring for 40 plus companies who are remotely hiring in this case. Not only that, on the sdet.club, we keep on sharing. What is this sdet.club also, right? I'll tell you later. But we keep on sharing the good list of companies, good product based companies that you basically can target. So is that this will solve your problem? Yes or no? Tell me in the chat, guys. It will solve your problem. So I will share with this link. Okay. Don't worry. The people who have said yes, you can just say thank you, a small thank you. Are you getting the value or not? Tell me now. Tell me now. We have just started to giving you value. Okay. I have just started to giving to value. How many of you are getting the value? I will share the link with you. Okay. Don't worry. I have a data, guys. Thank you. Good, 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 good. Thanks, sir. Good, good, good. So now you are getting the value or not? Tell me. This is just, I have started, guys. I will give you all the important details in this case. Okay. And I will make sure that you become an automation tester. This is what my things is. Okay. Because when I have started, guys, I didn't have any roadmap. I didn't have any topic. All these things I have created from scratch. Okay. So it took lot of the things that you are getting. Okay. Whatever the curated thing that you are getting, right? It has taken me a lot of efforts just to tell you. Okay. There are people who don't get any value from this because they don't want to get a value, isn't it? Yes. Agree with this point? If you are serious, right? Already you started getting values, right? Yes. From this. Okay. In the sdet.club also, right, we have a group called as jobs and referral. What is this sdet.club? I will explain you later. Okay. But in this jobs and referral also, right, what we will do is we have more than 3,000 plus members. They generally share the jobs and referral and good companies also, right? So this will basically help you to get a good product based company and target for a good package. And how many of you think that what is the salary for a browser tech? Okay, let me tell you. Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess that what is the salary you can get if you join a browser stack company? Okay, browser stack is, by the way, it is the second highest earning unicorn in 2022 for a fresher. Subhanshu is saying 8 to 9. 8 to 9. What is the LPA? What do you think, guys, for fresher? So browser stack basically give you 11 LPA as a fresher. 11. Start from 11 as LPA for a SDET or an automation profile. By the way, I was the QA lead here. Okay. So I didn't join as a fresher. I joined as a QA lead here, and browser stack give you a very decent salary. I hope. And I was able to crack browser stack. I'll tell you later about how it was able to do it. I was able to do it. Okay. I think it's a decent salary. Right? How many of you think as a fresher? If you're a fresher, give me F in the chat and let me know. After F, give me, do you think it's a decent salary if you start? Yes? Yes or no? What do you think? It's a very decent salary to start with, right? Yes or no? So everything is clear. So two things are clear till now. So Pramod, two things are clear, which means we got to know that what is an automation tester, who is an automation tester. There are jobs in the market. Okay. And third point I have discussed is we have to target good product based company till now, right? Yes or no? And we have discussed about the salary point of view, but you have not discussed till now three secrets. Three secrets you have not discussed, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So shall we start with that? Shall we start? Yes or no? Shall we start? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So secret number one, which is coming to you. How many of you are ready? Then you have to give me the keyword, which is R is for the ready. Okay, everyone has to type. Okay, everyone has to type. Okay, I don't want to hear if you are not typing it. So secret number 1 is coming. How to become an automation tester within a span of 4 months. Okay, clear? Okay, so who should become an automation tester? If you are a manual tester, want to switch to an automation, give me M in the chat if you are a manual tester. If you are a fresher, DevOps, or a dev, directly want to jump to get a high salary to automation tester, give me F in the chat if you are from this category. If you are from a non-IT background, you want to jump into the software testing, learn automation directly to become it. Okay, that's what. Then you have to type N in the chat. Understood? Yes. And let me know now which category you fall. Okay, there is a poll that you see on the chat now. Which category you are? Fresher, manual tester, non-IT, or a career gap person. Okay, if you are from non-IT and career gap, you can select any one of that. Okay, in this case. Okay, is that fine? Is that fine? How many of you are done? Just type D in the chat if you are done. Just type D in the chat when you are done with the poll. Okay, Mohit, Tithi, Sukendra, Jani, good. Omkar has done. Okay, Hema has done. Good. Sonali, Prajesh, Abhishek, Vikas, Mahalakshmi, Subhya, good. Okay, okay. Many people have done. Guys, couple of people are still not done. Guys, what you are doing? There are 30% people who have not done. Quickly do it. 5 more seconds. Okay. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Good, good, good. Awesome. Awesome. So ending the poll now. Okay. Ending the poll now. Okay, good, good, good. Awesome. All right. All right. So let's get started. Shall we? So before we start, okay. Avdika is saying, sir, you are not telling my name. Okay, before we start, I'll have to tell you about myself, right? We will discuss about this blueprint, but I have to tell about myself, right? How many of you know me? How many of you know me already? Okay, I have not given you my introduction, guys, by the way. Okay, and how I have started. Okay, how many of you know me? Okay, how many of you don't know me? Give me no in the chat. How many of you don't know me? No? Okay, there are people who don't know me. Okay, there are a lot of people who don't know me. Okay. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, awesome. Okay. Guys, my name is Pramod. I'll just take 30 seconds. Okay. I have seen your videos. Good. My name is Pramod. I have been into industry for 12 plus years. I am a automation lead architect almost. I am right now handling 30 plus people, by the way. Okay. 30 plus people I am right now handling automation tester. All of them are automation tester. Okay. I have taught more than 15K students, 125. Now, if I update, I think it is more. I have a YouTube channel, by the way, where we have almost completing 155. What is the, I don't remember exactly. It is 144K subscriber, by the way. So I have basically created more than 811 videos around software testing. So whatever I am discussing, trust me, you are getting from a person who has done it. Clear? I hope this is clear. Give me C in the chat if you are clear with this point. Okay, you are learning from a mentor who has done it. I am okay. I'll tell you what is it. Okay, so don't trust your aunties. Okay, there are aunties, right? So you are learning from a mentor who has already done it. That is the important thing. Okay, so let's discuss, Pramod sir, how we should become an automation tester. Okay, this is about me. Okay, I have worked with Wingify, Browser Stack, and Accenture. By the way, I was also part of Accenture. Okay, so you give confidence to us. Rakesh is saying, Pramod is saying, okay, Pramod Narayan is saying, sir, I have seen all of your videos. Good, 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 good. Okay, so disclaimer before I give you the secret number 1. Chat is overflowing with alphabet. Before disclaimer, okay, how many of you are ready for disclaimer? Before I give you the topic number 1 or the status or the secret number 1, how many of you are ready? If you hate coding, you cannot become an automation tester. Okay, this is fear of coding. Case number 2. Case number 1 is hate coding. This person hates coding, avoid practice, doesn't like to work on project. If you are that person, or if you have a coding fear, I also had a coding fear, case number 2, and I love to do projects, but I am very sincere and I think I can do it. Which one you are, case number 1 or case number 2? Type in the chat, case number 1 or case number 2. Type in the chat. If you fall under the case number 1, where you hate coding, immediately disconnect this webinar. You will not able to become an automation tester. Okay, bitter truth I am telling you. Okay, this is a bitter truth. If you hate coding, please disconnect this webinar. As okay, disconnect this webinar just now. Just now, you will not able to understand, you will not learn it, you will not become an automation tester if you hate coding. But if you have a coding fear, I can help you. Okay, because I also had a coding fear. How many of you have coding fear? Type fear in the chat. If you have a fear in the fear, okay, type fear in the chat. Promote a fear. Yes, I have a coding fear, but I think I can do it. I still have in my mind I can do it. Okay, so all the people now remaining who have a something called as fear in, right, that I will show you how it can be done. Okay, so before we do, there are a couple of myths that we have, right? Myth is you have to know heavy data sector to become an automation tester. How many of you have this myth? Give me yes or no in the chat. Give me yes or no in the chat. What do you think, guys? The answer is, what do you think answer is? The answer is no. No, you don't have to learn so many data structure or heavy data structure. You need limited set to become an automation tester. Okay. Anyone can learn if you follow a proper topics and roadmap. Okay. That is exactly the things. All right. Now let's get started with this. Okay. So what is the secret number one? How many of you are ready? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. So Pramod sir, what is the secret? What is the secret number one? Okay. What is the secret number one? Secret number one, all the secret that I'm going to discuss, right? Trust me, without these secrets, you will not able to become an automation tester. All right. Secret number one is if you want to become an automation tester, you should have clarity of what are the topics you need to learn and what is the roadmap you need to follow. How many of you agree with this point? Give me in the chat. Let me give you a simple point. Let me ask you a simple thing. Okay. Suppose you are in a ship. Guys, this is a ship, by the way. This is a ship. If you don't have any goal to reach, where you will reach? Where you will reach, guys? If you don't have any goal and you are in a ship, where it will reach? It will, Pankaj is saying, sir, it will reach nowhere. Okay. It can reach anywhere or nowhere. Yes or no? It can reach anywhere or nowhere, right? Yes or no? Wrong place, wrong destination, unknown destination, anywhere, right? Exactly the point. Exactly the point. So what you need is something called as a roadmap, isn't it? Tell me in the chat. Yes or no? The first thing which should be clear for you is a roadmap to become an automation tester. That's exactly the thing that we are discussing here. Okay? Understood? How many of you understood this? So guys, I have created this roadmap of in 4 months, how you can become an automation tester. Okay. So what is the strategy you need to follow? Pay attention. First of all, how many of you agree that in 7 to 10 days, manual testing is something which is very, very important? How many of you are agree with this one? Give me A in the chat. Give me A in the chat if you agree with this one, right? Manual testing is very important. If somebody is saying that you can become an automation tester without learning manual testing, trust me, they are lying. If you are a manual tester, if you agree with this point, just type M with A. With M with the A with manual tester, agree with this point. They are lying. You have to learn manual testing and you have to do at least 1 or 2 projects. But what I'm saying is, if you know the exact roadmap or the topics, you can cover maximum high level of the concepts in 7 to 10 days. Agree with this point? How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. You can cover basics, right? All the basics I have basically. Now what you need to do, okay? But there is one caveat, okay? If you want to follow this roadmap has one problem, okay? How many of you are ready for this problem? How many of you are ready for the problem? In this case, how many of you are ready? Okay. To follow this roadmap, first of all, I need a people who are very serious and they can give 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 hours per day for next 4 months. If you are that person, give me I in the chat. I think, Pramod sir, I can give 1 hour per day. Is that possible? To change my career, to get a salary, to get into the automation, to become an automation tester from non-IT to switch to fresher to automation. If you can give I in the chat. Is that possible? But here is the one important thing. 4 to 5 hours per week also I have mentioned. This is because Saturday, Sunday, probably you can give extra hours. Saturday, Sunday, probably you can give some extra hours because there are mothers. there are people who are husbands, there are people who are wife, they are basically a wife for someone, right? So they can give 4 5 hours Saturday Sunday mostly in this case, right? Yes or no? So that is also possible. So that is only the caveat you need to do. So 7 to 10 days, what you need to do is you have to cover basics of software testing, STLC testing techniques, bug tracking systems, agile methodology, Scrum and Jira, which is very, very important. And all the topics I have basically mentioned here in this sheet. What you need to do is, for example, today you have learned this concept, you have to enter 9th of March 2024 and you have to just stick yes. Yes or no? And what you can do is you can create a copy for this to tracking purpose. Not only that, I have also mentioned that in next 30 days, you can learn core Java, all the topics I have basically added here, which are important, all the topics which are require you to become an automation tester. So this strategy, this roadmap that you are seeing, guys, it is already validated last year by more than 2000 plus students. So whatever that you see is a very rectified version of it. And by following the exact strategy, if you follow for core Java 30 days, for API testing, if you follow for 30 days, which is more than 30 hours, if you follow 30 to 40 days for Selenium, and CI/CD also, calculate total, if you calculate, which is a 4 months, if you follow this properly, the roadmaps, all the topics which I have mentioned, don't you think right now you have something called as a word which I have told you? What was the first word? Guys, tell me, what was the first word I told you in the beginning? The moment you have dash, you will take actions. Clarity, exactly the point. Yes or no? And how many of you want this roadmap? Pramod sir, I want to follow this roadmap. This is amazing, right? If you want it, give me I in the chat. How many of you are loving this? Tell me, chat. Tell me yes in the chat, guys. How many of you are loving this? Yes? Yes or no? Now you are getting value or not? Tell me. Tell me yes. I hope your time is not getting wasted, right? For yes, time is just type not wasted, sir. Not wasted. I hope your time is not getting wasted, right? Not wasted. Worth it, totally worth it, right? Yes. So this is exactly the strategy you need to follow. Okay. But there is one more problem, Pramod sir, I have, which is I have a coding fear. Yes. How many of you agree with this point? But I have a coding fear. You are telling me in 30 days, we will learn about the core Java. We will learn about the collection framework, OOPS concept, design patterns. We will do 100 coding questions and we will learn Java. Is that possible? Is that possible? How it can be done? Okay, so this is where I have created another version. How many of you are ready for this? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. So guys, in 30 days to become an automation tester, you don't have to learn all of Java. Java is this big. Okay, and nobody is telling you that you have to follow only this 30-day plan. This is exactly the plan that I'm going to give you now. Okay, you have to just follow this plan, which 30-day plan. Okay, only these are the topics which we have to follow 1 hour per day. This is exactly the 30-day plan for this. Okay, yes, yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me in the chat. Is that make sense? Is that make sense? Yes or no? So we need to focus on 3 core areas. In the programming language, we need to focus on 3 areas: core Java, OOPS concept, and collection framework. Is that make sense? Is that make sense? Yes or no? If we basically learn all these concept, tell me guys, and side by side, if we do 100 plus coding questions, 20 lead questions and hacker rank challenges, and if we understand them very well, trust me, now your coding fear will be down by at least 5 to 10%. How many of you think that? Pramod sir, it can be done, yes. If we follow this exercise, if we do these exercises daily, let me tell you very important thing. Okay, if you see the GitHub repository, let me show you. Okay, the repository of last what we call there is a last one student that we have done. If you do this kind of stuff, okay, let me know, guys. Let me know if you basically create daily program. Okay, at least like 10 to 15 programs, and let me show you also. For example, suppose OOPS concept in 21st of January we have done, guys. More than 189 labs we have done. Don't you think when you do this practically by yourself, if you follow the 30 days of roadmap and if you follow this topic sheet, right, your coding fear will be removed? Yes or no? Is that make sense? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? What do you think? But one important thing is, Pramod sir, how do we remove the coding fear, right? This is the question that I have. Yes, how many of you have this question? But I want to remove my coding fear. How is this possible? Guys, I'll tell you the strategy which I basically, let me share the strategy. How many of you want to learn? Tell me in the chat. This is the strategy which I generally follow to remove the coding fear. Okay. How to remove the coding fear? Okay. I am going to tell you a story. How many of you are ready for the story? Tell me in the chat. A small story before I move towards the secret number 2. How many of you are ready? Okay, good. Guys, I wanted to learn swimming. Okay. Probably many people have heard this story, but I'll tell you anyway. Okay. I wanted to learn swimming. How many of you love swimming? I also learn swimming, guys. I love swimming, by the way. Okay. Yes. How many of you know swimming? Yes or no in the chat? There are no many people who don't know. Okay. Good. So there is a concept of 7 feet pool. Okay. There is a concept of 7 feet pool. It's a 7 feet deep. Okay. So I started learning coding. Oh, sorry, the swimming. Like I wanted to learn swimming. Do you think by following the YouTube videos, I was watching a lot of YouTube videos. Okay. Do you think I will be able to learn swimming? Give me yes or no in the chat. Is that possible? No. What I have to do? You have to do practice, right? Yes. So I joined a academy. Okay, a swimming for an academy I joined. Okay. Then there was a mentor. Okay. And he told me, okay, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. You don't have to go to the 7 feet pool. Okay. What you can do is just go to the 3 feet pool. Just go to the 3 feet pool, right? Where we have 7 to 15 ages of the students and be comfortable. And I have done it for 30 days. After that, after 30 days, he basically told me to go to the 5 feet pool. Okay. After 30 days, I become very comfortable. Then he told me to go for 7 feet pool for 5 minutes for next 30 days. So after 30 days, I was very much comfortable and my fear was removed. What is the learning did you get from this, guys? Tell me in the chat. This, by this story, what exactly is the learning that you got? Tell me in the chat. Practice step by step, taking small steps. Practice can make you perfect. Consistency. Good. Practice. Okay. Let me tell you the important thing. If you want to remove your coding fear, you have to jump into it, isn't it? Yes or no? You have to jump into the coding and learn. How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Take a step-by-step approach, because what happens is if you wanted to become an automation tester, you watched 4 or 5 videos and after that you stopped. How many of you are that person? Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, I started to learn API testing or automation or something coding. I learned for 4 or 5 videos and then I stopped because you didn't have a proper topic list and roadmap. Now you all of you have it. You have to follow a proper topics and roadmap, and of course practice will always make you perfect. How many of you loved the secret number 1? Because now you have exact strategy, exact roadmap, and exact topic list which is used or proven by the 2,000 plus student last year. Loved it? How many of you loved it? Now you have everything which is already proven, guys. This is everything which is already proven. Give me, if S secret number 1 is clear, give me 1 in the chat. Jonas is saying, yes, you don't read my messages. I am reading all the messages. Okay, Jonas, don't worry on this point. Shiva Swati, how many of you are getting the value? Give me V in the chat. Promos are getting the value. I will be sharing this roadmap, guys. I will be sharing this roadmap, topic sheet, 30-day plans also, programs also, which it is important, right? All these things I will be sharing. You just have to tell me, just yes, you have to just tell me I in the chat. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, cool. How many of you are ready for the more details? Secret number 2. How many of you are ready? But Pramod sir, I got the idea. In the 4 month plan, if we follow these things, so what we need to learn, you are telling us there are 4 core pillars we need to do. Manual testing concept, a Java, a programming language, a API testing, Selenium, and CI/CD. There is one mistake that many people make where they learn programming language and Selenium. They don't learn API testing. Trust me, in 2024, it doesn't work. Only learning Selenium will not help you to land a job. How many of you are clear? Give me clear in the chat if it is clear. Only learning Selenium will not help you to learn to go and get a job. You have to learn API testing. Please remember, you have to learn API testing, which is important, and you have to learn CI/CD things, which is important. Two things are extra things that you should add to your resume so that you are ahead of other automation tester. That's why you will get a job. Did anyone tell you all this roadmap? Tell me yes in the chat. This is the secret which people are hiding, isn't it? What do you think, guys? Are you getting the value? This is exactly the secret which people are hiding from you, and I am revealing. Has anyone said this? Gaurav said, sir, nobody is sharing this kind of information. Good. Tejas is saying this is 100% true, right? Understood? Yes. Clear? Everyone is clear with this point? And of course, you need to do two projects that we need to do side by side in this case. Okay. Now, how many of you are ready for secret number 2? How many of you are ready for secret number 2? Secret number 1 is clear. So when you are clear with the topics and roadmap, you are clear with the strategy and you are good to go with the automation tester. Clear? Does this make sense? Okay. Secret number 2. Sir, really valuable. Loving this webinar till now. How many of you are loving the webinar? Okay, because I am loving it. I love to share information with you. And my motive is, guys, just to let you know, okay, by the way, last year, my motive was I will help more than 2,000 people to become an automation tester. And this year, my target is 10,000 students I will help to become an automation tester. Last year, I have already achieved. And this year, I am pretty much sure I will achieving this too also. And I want that you also become an automation tester. Is that make sense? Yes or no? And I will be helping you as much I can. Okay, this is what my things are. Okay, and I am very much passionate about this, all these things. Okay. Okay, what is the secret number 2? Secret number 2 is live projects. We have to do live projects to get a job. How many of you agree with this point? Because as a fresher and as a manual tester, as a known IT person, if you don't do live projects, then you will not get selected and you will not basically will able to get into your resume will not get selected in this point. Yes, agree with this point. But there is a problem, Pramod, where we should find the live projects. How many of you have this problem? Give me yes in the chat. Yes, Pramod. So there is a problem where we should find the live projects. So now I'll tell you what are the things. Guys, there is a very important concept that you need to learn. Okay. What is this live real world problem that you see? The projects. Okay. First of all, please remember, if you are a fresher, then definitely you will not have any live project, right? As a manual tester, you will not have a automation project, right? Yes or no? And if you're from a known IT person, you will not have an automation live project. What you will do? So there is a strategy that people generally use it, which is people pick some kind of open source projects and they will automate and they add to their resume. This is a very famous strategy that is used. Another strategy that people use is it is for the manual testers. The project that they have in the manual testing, right? They basically showcase that last 2-3 years they have done this as an automation. This is a very interesting thing. So where we should find the projects, right, Pramod sir, where we should find? So how many of you, let me show you. Okay, this problem also I have solved for you. Okay, tell me in the chat, guys. So this is exactly where you will find all the projects. Okay, how many of you are ready? So all the projects related to Selenium I have curated. Okay, all the projects related to Selenium I have curated. All the projects related to automation I have curated. All the projects related to API testing I have added. Or advanced authentication I have also added. Public API also I have added. How many of you want this sheet? And this sheet is something which is keep on growing, by the way. This sheet will be keep on growing. So you will find a lot of open source projects. Open source projects like, for example, we have HR project, which is good to learn, which is a little advanced project. that you can basically do manual testing, as well as you can add this to your resume also, if it is allowed. It is a very decent open source project that you can add, that I have automated. If you can automate this, or if you can add a manual testing project, you should add this project to showcase it. Okay. How many of you manual testers showcase your projects? Give me yes or no in the chat. Do you showcase your projects? Yes or no? Let me tell you, okay, how you have to showcase your project. Okay. How you have to showcase your project. Okay. What do you think, guys? If I share with you, I am taking your interview, and if I showcase this like this, tell me, guys, if I showcase my projects in the github.com, which is my second resume, after LinkedIn, github.com is your second resume, by the way, just to let you know. Okay. And if I showcase my project, one was app.variable.com. Second project, when I was doing manual testing, HR module, e-commerce project, API testing project, SQL project, and I have added this like this. Do you think my percentage of getting higher will increase by at least 5%? How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Give me A in the chat. Nobody is telling you this secret. Okay. This is a very secret strategy. And not only that, if you showcase your automation projects, Pramod sir, I have also done automation projects. These are my automation open source project that you will see. Okay. So let me show you my open source project also. Suppose this is my profile, and I will show you my Selenium project, and I will show you my API testing projects also like this. Okay. Let me know, guys. It will increase my strategy. So here I have, this is my API automation framework, which you have to showcase. This is a project. This is a project that you have showcased. This is one of the project that we have automated. And this is one of the Selenium project with the framework that we have automated. Do you think our visibility will increase? Yes or no? Give me yes or no in the chat. And did you get value from the secret number 2? Guys, this is exactly the strategy that people are using nowadays. This is the things which are working in 2024. Why your resume is not getting selected? Why you are not able to crack your interview? Because you are not showcasing your projects properly. This is the mistake that you are making. Now you understood. How many of you understood? Give me you in the chat if you understood this point. This is exactly you need to do. And how many of you for this first time? Pramod sir, this concept I have learned this first time. Type FT in the chat. Pramod sir, first time I'm discussing this. Yes. Good, good, good. I hope you are getting the value, right? So secret number 2, you are getting the value, right? Isn't it? Good, 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 good. Shoaib is saying, sir, too fast. Isn't it? How many of you are getting the value? Pramod sir, I am getting the value, right? Yes. Good, 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 good. Now, how many of you are ready? Do you think when you add all this thing into your resume or as like this, your chances to get higher will increase? Yes or no? Tell me. And if you showcase not only this, if you showcase your project like this, okay, project 2, you will share a Google Drive also side by side, where you, whatever the test set strategy that you have done, bug report that you have done, test plan that you have done, test strategy, test cases, whatever the things that you have done, you have uploaded everything. Test matrices that you have done. Tell me, guys, if you showcase your test matrices, if you showcase your test cases like this, I have done all this project. I have done all this project. When you showcase like this, your chances will be high. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? So secret number 2 is clear or not, guys? Tell me in the chat. Secret number 2 is clear or not? I hope secret number 2 is clear. Give me yes in the chat if secret number 2 is clear. Right now, how many of you are ready for secret number 3? You have to tell me, you have to type 3 in the chat. Yes, Shoaib is saying now ekdam must. Swati is saying so. Okay, loved it. Loved it. So secret number 3. Now, third thing is properly adding your projects. 70% of the time your resume getting rejected because you don't add properly your projects and you have no idea how to create your resume. How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point, right? Yes. Sonali is saying, please check my ping. Sonali will take question, guys. After 5 minutes, we'll take the questions. Okay, fine. Is that fine? Is that fine that, guys? After 5 minutes, we'll take this questions. Okay. You will have an audio conversation with me. How many of you want audio conversation with me? Give me A in the chat for audio. We will take questions. All your questions related to career gap, job security, and everything. We will take questions. Okay. We'll take your questions. Okay. All right. Good, 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 good. Awesome. But what is this secret number 3? Okay, let's do one exercise. Shall we do this exercise? Yes. Then you have to tell me the keyword. Type the keyword, guys. Now I hope everyone has the keyword right. What is the keyword that we have to type? R for ready. Ready. R. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to show you my resume. Okay. And you have to tell me what is the first thing that you see. A secret that I am discussing. Okay. What exactly do you see from this? Okay. I'll show you. One. I'll take 5 seconds. Okay. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now tell me in the chat, what exactly did you see? Tejasvi is saying, sir, I see only SDET. Skills, 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 headings, heading, work experience, skills, 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 skills. Exactly the point. How many of you learned it? You have to showcase the first thing, which is this, isn't it? Yes, in the chat. This is a secret because HR will see if you read HR, see your resume for less than 5 seconds. For less than 5 seconds. Can you imagine? How many of you know this for first time? Okay. When I know this, right? HR basically sees your resume for less than 5 seconds. And in the 5 seconds, what you have to showcase? You have to showcase your skills. So if you don't see Java automation testing, API testing, yeah, then you're gone. Then your resume is gone. Guys, does this make sense? Make sense? Give me yes in the chat. This makes sense or not? So you have to create a resume. By the way, this resume got selected in Amazon, BrowserStack, Wingify, and Techion. Okay. This is one of the best template that I have used. I will share this template. How many of you want this template? I'll share a template with you also. Okay. I have created this from Novo Resume. It's another important point you will find is it's a one-page resume. How many of you can see that? It's a simple one-page resume. Secret number 2 within this, you will just read these 4 lines. Guys, just read these 4 lines. What exactly is the first thing that you see? Secret number 2 I will be sharing. What is the first thing that you see within these 4 lines? Tell me that. Tell me, guys. Tell me, guys. Tell me. Numbers. Exactly. Numbers. 9,000 test cases. Little blurry, no worries. 9,000 test cases. What is this? Because human have a tendency to see numbers. That exactly is the thing that you need to do. So till now, I have only discussed 2 secrets of resume building. What if I give you 25 plus secrets? How many of you want that? Give me yes in the chat. What if I give you one of the paid class where I have discussed these secrets, where we have 25 plus secrets like this? How many of you want that? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat now. Isn't it amazing webinar? Yes or no? You are getting so much value, isn't it? So in this webinar, by the way, this is a SDET masterclass where we have done resume review for an automation tester, golden resume, which works right now in 2024 and 25. How to basically, what are the mistakes that you are making in your resume? What are the resume reviews? We will do resume reviews also. In the end, I have done resume reviews also in the end. Okay. How many of you want this? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat, guys. Give me yes in the chat. Good, 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 good. Awesome. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good. All right. So let me share with you. Okay. So this is the link. Bookmark this link. Okay. Please bookmark these 2 links so that you have second link. What is the second link also? Second link is about LinkedIn hacks that you can use. How to approach to an HR, how to basically do multiple things we have discussed in this paid webinar, where we have discussed everything for you. Okay, where I have discussed how to basically approach to an HR, what is the strategy that you need to follow side by side in this case. Does this make sense to you? Guys, does this make sense? Secret number 3 is clear or not? Give me 3 in the chat if secret number 3 is clear. Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes quickly in the chat. Good, good, good. So what exactly did you learn overall from the webinar? You have to change your mindset. How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat if you agree with this point. Give me A in the chat. All the people, okay? Because it is important. Guys, and did you find this webinar helpful? Did you find this webinar helpful? How was the session? Tell me guys, how was the session? Did you learn something? Did you learn something today new or not? Tell me. I will share all the link. Informative. It was a great session, sir. Wonderful. Wonderful webinar, sir. Good. Definitely good, good, good. Awesome, 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 awesome. And how many of you are relate with me, sir? Pramod sir, it is possible. Okay. But how many of you think that Pramod sir, if this is possible in 4 months? I think if I learn or follow the exact topic sheet, exactly the roadmap, I can too become an automation tester. Give me I in the chat if you are that serious person. Do you think that? Okay, Vamika, Damni, Saurav, Veena, Shoaib, Manu, Shoaib, possibly, okay, Swati, Shiva, Rakesh, Archana, good, good, good. Shanu, Sharya, Shoaib is saying that. Vandana also saying, I, good, good, good. It means you are serious in this case, right? It means serious in this case, right? Yes, Rahul here. Rahul is saying, sir, Rahul here. You have to tell me Rahul here in this case. Okay, good. So you know what? I was very important thing that you need to today by the way, just to let you know guys, I got invited to one of the let me show you. Okay, how many of you want to see? I just got, okay, today only I got an award from Mohammed Kaif. Anyone wants to see any video? Yes. Okay, I got a video, so let me show you. Okay, so this is me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let me show you if I can show you yet. Everyone can see it. Yes. By the way, this is my video. I hope everyone can see it, right? Give me yes in the chat if you can see it properly, right? So today only I got an award from, this is Mohammed Kaif, by the way. How many of you know Mohammed Kaif? I hope everyone can see the video also, right? Yes. This is me in a court. Cricketer Mohammed Kaif, right? Yes, yes, yes. So I got an award for digital creator because of my videos, because of YouTube videos that I have contributed, right? So I got an award also from Mohammed Kaif. I hope everyone can see it, right? Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ankarsha and Sir, congratulations, right? Yes. So this is an award which I got it. So today only I got it, this award, okay, for this. Awesome. So what exactly did you learn from this? Okay, tell me in the chat. What exactly did you learn from this? What exactly is the strategy? Guys, so what exactly did you learn? Roadmap we have to follow. Proper roadmap is needed. We have to add properly the projects, of course. And the third thing is we have to work on our resume and LinkedIn to get a job, right? Did you get the idea? How many of you got the idea? Give me G in the chat. And how many of you love the webinar till now? Good. Awesome. Did you get, is your time wasted now? Yes or no, guys? Did your time wasted? No. Love the webinar till now? Good. So just now, what I am going to do is, guys, now okay, one thing, because see, what I'm doing is, I hope what is your biggest takeaway? All of you are have some kind of takeaways, right? This is the takeaways that you already will have it, right, in this case. But I think my takeaway is, action item is that you have to block at least 4 to 5 hours to become a successful. How many of you agree with this point? To follow this roadmap, you have to block at least 4 to 5 hours to achieve this, right? If you are that purpose, if you are that person who thinks, okay, guys, one announcement that I want to make, okay, one announcement. Now I will basically discuss about one of the offer that I have. Can I discuss? Do I have a permission? Guys, do I have your permission to showcase you one of the offer that I have for you, or the things that I want to discuss? Because I last year also we have done an automation tester blueprint batch for 5x. Okay. Ardun is saying, sir, yes, you have all the permission. Okay. So where I am searching for the serious people, only serious people who think by giving this 4 months, I can follow this roadmap and I can too become an automation tester. If you can give 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 hours per week, if that is possible, just give me yes in the chat. If you are that person, if you are that, because I am searching for serious people only, and the people who are not serious, they have already left, by the way. Okay, the people who are not serious, no, they are already left. So you are, if you are here, it means you are good. Okay, there are a lot of people, by the way. Okay, and the moment you give the values, right, it is there. Okay, so we have launched a course, guys, where we basically, I'm going to discuss about all this, right? We will follow the same roadmap, right, for 4 months. This is what my target is. We will be covering core Java concept, OOPS concept, collection framework, threading, design patterns, right? Not only that, we will be covering collection framework, threading, We will be covering questions related to hacker ranked also. And not only that, projects are important. So we will be covering manual testing projects. We will be uploading the projects like this in this case. We will be doing API testing projects, 2 API testing projects, web automation projects also side by side, and learning will be done in these sprints, right? This will be our target. We will be creating our frameworks, right? You will see Selenium framework that we are creating, the same framework that you have seen it here, right? We will be creating and you will be adding to your profile. Is that good? Give me yes in the chat. You will be adding to your profile all these links live when you do that. Okay. To increase your visibility in this case. We are basically doing API testing projects, manual and automation. Cucumber, BDD, and rest assured also we are going to cover. CI/CD also we will learn. And I will basically help you to create your resume, which will get selected. Will help you to finding the job. Job assistant will be given. LinkedIn methods to basically research, tips and tricks to get an unlimited number of HR calls. Not only that, you will have a recording for 24/7 that you can watch, right? Access to LMS where you can watch recordings anytime, right? Here you can see you can watch recordings anytime on the courses.testingacademy.com and sd.masterclass also. Okay. We will have a doubt sessions like this that we are already covering. Selenium we are already covering, na Gaurav Singh. Okay. And we will be doing the curated jobs. Do you think that how many of you think searching jobs is where the problem is, Pramod sir? And we will be solving that problem also. Okay. And we are going to cover a lot of mock interviews. Do you think that mock interviews is something which will make sure that you become an automation tester in the end? How many of you think that? Give me yes in the chat, guys. Yes. So all these things we are basically covering, and of course, certificate of completion also we are going to do. So total value, what is the value that we are basically giving? Okay, this is just a value. This is not the course amount. Okay. So it will be a 4-month live course. It will be a 4-month live course, which is starting on 13th of March. Let me tell you. Okay. And you will get previous batch recording also. Plus, there is one more bonus, which is playwright with the Java course that we are also going to get. Plus 5+ bonuses that you are also going to get. Not only that, you will be getting access to sd.club, where you will get a job referrals and a private action also side by side. Okay. All these things we are going to get, right? What do you think, guys? What do you think? All these things you can get it, right? So what do you think, guys? What should be the price for it? Official price for this is, what do you think, guys? What is the guess? What is the guess? 15,000? No, no, not a 50,000. No. What is it? What is your thing, guys? The official price after today, it will be 12,500. But since you are here, you should get a better offer, right? How many of you think that? Give me yes in the chat. Pramod sir, I should be getting a best offer right now. Yes? How many of you think that? I should be getting the best offer because you are here with me for more than 1.5 hours. You should get some value, right? How many of you think that? Pramod sir, I should get a best value, right? Because I am right now with you for more than 1.5 hours. Yes or no? Rohit and Rajeshwari and saying this, right? Yes. Okay. So the price for this that we are special discount for you, if you join it today before 12, is 9999 INR only. Okay. Should be under 10K. Yes. What you are getting in the March end week, we are starting the live classes. Okay. It is a 4 months of live course that we are basically giving. Okay. And how to join? Okay. How to join? This is a link that you can basically open. Let me show you how to join this program. Okay. But let me tell you guys, this is for the people who are very serious and you want to become an automation tester. This is very, very important. Okay. And raise your hands now. Okay. How to join? By the way, let me show you one time. This is a job ready program for 4 months that we are starting. Timings will be, please remember, timing will be given, which is this. Okay. This is the timing that we have, which is Tuesday, Thursday, 7 a.m. to 8:30 IST time. Saturday, we have 7 to 9 a.m. Okay. Match, we are going to start on 30th of it. Plus, if you join it today before this, we are going to cover all the frameworks. We are following this roadmap. And if you join it today, these 2 bonuses, you will be getting it for free. Because previous batch recording, we never share, guys. We never share the previous batch recording. But this time, because 30 March is basically where it is a long time, right? We have 2 weeks right now, which are remaining. you will get access to this previous batch recording. How many of you want previous batch recording for lifetime access? Recording will be available for lifetime access. Veena is saying yes, Tejas. Okay. And how many of you want Playwright also? Playwright is something which is a new tool which is coming into the market. And this Playwright tool, it will be a self-paced, which will be coming in the April end. Okay, let me tell you, it will be coming in April end, not right now. The official classes we are going to start on the 30th of March. Please remember, 30th of March we will be starting in this case. Okay, so there is no time in this case. Let's take couple of questions. Okay, side by side. How many of you want to ask questions? Give me yes in the chat. Let me raise your hands now. Okay, raise your hands. I hope offer is clear. 4 months live classes. Okay, raise your hands quickly. We'll take. Okay, quickly we will take a couple of questions. Okay, Ritu Singh, your question, please. Yes. Okay, guys, if you have question, please stay back. We will be taking all the questions. Okay, Ritu Singh, please, you can unmute and ask.
Hello, sir.
Good evening, Ritu. Yes,
Good
how are
evening,
you?
good
Tell
evening,
me.
sir. Fine, sir. Sir, actually, I want to know that I have a 10 years of gap. After that, I
Okay.
starting the taking classes of manual testing. I get the job,
Okay.
but
Okay.
now I have 1 year experience. But
Hmm.
companies are not considering me.
Hmm.
After 1 year, they are not taking me in another company. I am still working in that company on very less salary. I want to
Hmm.
change the company, but I am unable to change the company. So
Hmm.
they are some company also call me. They always ask me, what is your
I
MCA,
understood. I
last
understood,
MCA?
Ritu. So what you can
Uh,
do is, see, what you should do is you can take any courses from the outside guide. And what you need to showcase is last 2 more years. For example, the value that you are getting from this, right? We are creating a framework. We are creating a API automation framework, Selenium framework, everything, right? So you should add
mm-hmm.
at least two more years of experience. Okay. That we can discuss later how it can be done. But it can be done. There are many people I have seen doing it. Okay. So if you target for startups, it can be done. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, just to let you know, guys, these are live classes. Okay, 4 months. Couple of one person is asking, sir, what is this? It's a 4 month live class, right? So how to join is very simple, and couple of people are asking for EMI also, right? So EMI option is also there. If you click on this link, you just enter your details. Okay, click on this link. You will enter your details, and there's an option for just enter your details, whatever. Click on Razorpay one time if you're from India. You can add a code which is PROMODE. Okay, PROMODE. It will give you a extra discount of 9999 in this case. Okay, and click on complete order. And after that, you will find an option of EMI also. If you're looking for an EMI, right, there is an option of EMI also. What you can do is just enter your number, click on proceed, and here you will see, just scroll down, you will see an option of EMI also. Okay, the moment you enroll, all of you will get an access to courses. Okay, automatically you will get access to courses.testingacademy.com. If you go to my courses, you need to do a password reset. And if you go to my courses, your courses related, bonus courses related to SQL masterclass, API, masterclass, and your official course of recording also will be unlocked. But live classes will start on 30th of March. Is that make sense? I hope this is clear. Give me clear in the chat if it is clear. Give me clear in the chat. Yes, it will be automatically provided you all the bonuses. Okay, let's take another question. Ashika, guys. Ashika, yes, please, your question also. Okay, tell me yes.
So I have 4.5 years of experience as
Okay.
manual and automation, right?
Okay.
But I want to upskill myself like with all the automation properly. And also I have
Okay.
package and I work as a senior QA engineer in a startup.
Okay. Did you understand the roadmap properly and the framework that we are creating? Did you understood those?
I have already worked in Selenium and API testing. I just don't know the CI.
Okay. Have you done the projects? Have you done the live projects?
Yes, in my company I used to do, but I don't have a GitHub projects or something.
Okay. So if
My
you don't add it to your GitHub profiles, if you are, have you created the frameworks which are scalable to 10,000 test cases and everything? Those things?
no.
Then these are the questions they will ask you, right? Have you created a framework from the scratch? Did you created an any live class, or probably you have uploaded by yourself on GitHub?
Huh.
That have you done it?
My question is, I have
Mhm.
4.5 years and I'm already a senior QA engineer. So more
Okay.
is that what is the possibility? Like I want to move to an automation engineer only.
Mhm.
And I
See,
have
your target should be, Ashika, I'll tell you very simple. You should target for good product-based company because you have little bit audience, a little bit experience also.
yes,
So my recommendation is increase your knowledge related to, if you have a good knowledge, right, you should target for CI/CD part also. Get a
yes,
good knowledge on Git, Jenkins, Docker, Linux basics. All these things we cover in Masterclass, by the way. Okay, in the Masterclass, we have covered a lot of these concepts. You have to keep increasing your content, your knowledge and your framework knowledge also side by side. You have to add. Okay,
understood.
that you need to add side by side, that we are covering side by side in this case. Okay, so these things and some extra topics also like JavaScript basics that you should know, how to get a high paying site. In this session I have basically bring a lot of people who share their story how to get a super high paying jobs within 2 years or everything. So learn from those people. That is very important. By the way, guys, every Friday we have class related to SDET masterclass. These are the SDET masterclass. These are extra classes where we cover security related concepts, mobile testing related concepts, which is separate from your courses. And you will have a lifetime access to this SDET.club when you join it today before 12. Okay. If you join it before 12, you will have lifetime access to all the master classes that we generally. So in this year also, every Friday, we will have a lot of free master classes that you will be automatically a part of it. Okay. If you want to see the previous classes, every Friday you see we have a lot of master classes where you can attend it for free in this case. Okay, Ashika, is that clear? We'll take more questions in this case.
My
Okay.
question is, my question exactly is like,
Mhm.
since I'm a senior QA engineer, so moving to SDET 2, will
Mhm.
it be possible? I have 2 years of
Yes,
experience in automation.
2 years is a good experience. Increase your coding knowledge, increase the framework knowledge, increase the CI/CD knowledge. Trust me, you will have a good decent package. Okay,
Okay,
simple answer. Okay, understood.
this was helpful.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, no worries. You can always ask me. Okay, don't worry in that point. Okay. And yes, Vipin Gautam, your question, please. Guys, raise your hands. We'll take all the questions. Okay. Vipin Gautam, your question, please. Guys, all your questions will be answered. Don't just wait for few time, and I will be asking. Okay, we will do all the questions. Okay. Okay, let's take. I think Vipin is not available. Who wants to ask question? Give me yes in the chat. Yes. Okay, we will take Vidhi Kumar. Okay, Vidhi Kumar, your question, please. Yes, go on.
Hi, Pramod.
Don't feel shy. Okay, guys, don't feel shy. I am here. I will
Hi,
be
Pramod.
helping you. Okay.
Evening.
Yes, yes,
Good
yes. Please
evening.
go on.
I have a couple of first of all, the timings, no, that's not suitable to me at least for next couple of weeks. So, can
Okay.
we have some other timings except this 7 to 8:30 a.m.
See, do one
actually
thing.
for the
No, what
weekdays,
is
no?
what is there is there are in the previous batch also, right? We already have a ATB 5x batch. Just to let you know, guys, we already have the ATB 5x batch, which is already finished. Okay, they have given so many testimonials. You will find what you will see. Even if you miss this, right? Don't worry, you will find recordings which you can watch it later. For example, let me show you. For example, suppose you missed a class, right? You will have an access to lifetime recording for this video, and you can rewatch and you can post your queries on sdet.club. You will have a private group there. Okay. You can ask your questions here. Let me show
So
you the private community, which will you can ask questions. Okay.
that will be
Yes, go on.
answered by
Go on.
you, Pramod.
Yes, yes, I am only I am the one only. Here you can see a lot of questions are there, right? It's a very active community, by the way. Okay. This is a ATB 5x batch. If you see, right? A
So
lot of
it's just
people
a
are.
matter of 4 weeks at least. Actually,
Mhm.
I'll be able to join from 7 to 8:30 for at least
That
four
is
weeks.
fine.
I,
No,
I
see.
need to manage the timings.
Yes, yes, yes. Few weeks you can manage. And if you see, this is the last batch I'm showing you guys. You will see a lot of people who are basically accessing, interacting, question answers, right? They are asking questions, right? This is like a Facebook group for only learning to becoming an automation. Okay. There are people who are like-minded people who will be helping you to become an automation tester also, right? So see, this 3 day before, a couple of people are asking questions to codings and everything, right? Does this make sense?
Mhm.
Good.
And my second question is about the
Hmm.
placements. No, Pramod, like I will be joining after a gap of around couple of months. No,
Okay.
I was into ETL. I have a background of Python also, but
Hmm.
I need to resume back to IT again. So
Hmm.
how I need to understand like how was the placement of the last batches? Was it 100? Was it
Last batches, good
50%?
questions. You can check all the placements is here. Okay. All the reviews here. by the way, all these guys, right? There are a lot of people, okay, who have given the testimonials. Shikhar Avasti was there. Shanti Bhushan was there. I think Om Pangle was there, right, in the last batches. Somewhere you will find, okay, it is random. You can read, guys. You can read. Yeah. So this person has already got Ramakrishna, right, in the MNCs. K Abhishek, right? All the guys. I have not created these videos, okay? By
So
all these,
approximate
all this.
percentage of placement, Pramod?
See, generally, I don't have a number because I mostly focus on the knowledge, right? But maximum, I have seen many people are already in software testers. And also, you can ask these kind of questions on sj.club also. They are part of sj.club. Okay. So these are the guys who will be helping you for job referrals. Okay. These are alumni who are present. For example, 84x batch, right? Deepak Pardesi, who is right now working with me also. He was a part of ATP4x. He is working with me and helping other people also, right? So you will see there are people, and also if you check the testimonials also, right, there are people from non-IT, they were able to switch to automation profile. Okay, I remember Rashmita was there, right? There are people from non-IT, many non-IT person was able to switch by using learning this. Okay,
Actually,
see.
my background, actually, I have my 10 years of experience with this. So I'm curious to know, my prominent question regarding this is because of this, no? Like, the placement won't be difficult after going through this course.
I'll tell you why. Because the framework that we are getting, when you showcase these things, the strategy, see, guys, I am showing you the strategies which are working right now in the market. Okay. I am also working, by the way. Okay. So the framework that we are creating, the Selenium framework, API automation framework, the strategies that you are learning, right? These are very hot and new. And I always search for the things which basically stand out your profile. Okay. Understood? Aditya,
And
yes, yes. Please write your question. Okay.
this
I'll answer. Don't
Java,
worry.
core Java, right? You
Yes, we
have
will
a
be.
Python automation also, and
Python
when is
automation
that
batch,
batch going
we
to start?
are Python automation batch is already learning, but running, right? You can want, if you want to join, you can join that also. But again, this is related to
But
Java mostly. Okay.
yes, I inquired. That's already running from the past more than 1 month, no? So I would be quite left out from the session which
That
is
is,
running out,
yes,
right?
that will be yes, but again, probably Python batch will do little late. Okay. So that, so you can think about it. I think Java is something that you can start with if you want. Okay. Understood?
And
Okay.
if I simultaneously want to learn Python also, in that case, what should I do?
You can enroll in Python also, but there will we will help you in that case. Okay. We will have a discussion on this, how it can, you can leverage both of them. Okay.
Oh,
Core concept, core software testing and automation remain same. Okay.
okay.
Please remember.
Yeah, sure. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Shiva is saying,
Good night.
sir,
Yeah,
it is
sure.
very difficult to find jobs for freshers. No, it is not difficult. We have hired freshers as an automation tester, Shiva, just now. You have to showcase your projects as a fresher. You have to add the projects into your profiles. You have to basically learn automation and a programming language. This is very, very important. Okay. This is it. Okay. Let's take a couple of questions. Girish, let's take rapid fire. Okay. Yes, Girish, go on, please. Girish, your question, please. Guys, I will take all the questions. Okay. Don't worry. If you have any doubt, right, please ask me on this. There is a link to join. And guys, please make sure you join it before 12, because what will happen is this offer that we are right now running, right, we will be switching off this offer and you will not get this at this price. Guys, the competitor, if you see, right, there are a lot of people who are charging for 17,000, 20,000, and they are not even teaching you API testing and other things. Okay. So this is something that I am doing from 2017 and I have got the results. And I'm pretty much sure by following the roadmap, it will be very easy for you to become an automation tester. Okay. Keshwar is saying, can you share the roadmap with us? Yes, yes, yes. I will share with you. Okay. We'll take more questions. Okay. Stephen, you have question? Yes. Go on, please. Yes, go on, please.
Hi, Praveen. Can you hear me?
Yes, 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 yes. Pramod,
Yeah,
yes. Tell me, please.
Praveen. I just need to know. The thing is, like, I'm working as a manual tester last from 4 years. I'm working for Harman Connected Service as IoT, but I'm lagging in automation and a lot of things like Kubernetes, those things and all. But as a team lead, my manager suggested me to go with the
Web automation.
automation testing and all. So
Okay, okay.
my past experience with the projects and I don't have any knowledge on the coding and all. So, and how I can get the interaction now, whatever you are saying to online, sometime I miss the steps. How I can follow the steps? Because now see, you are giving all the tips. Some might be happen. So
see, Stephen, very simple question I'll ask you. Are you able to understand the roadmap?
yeah, I'm understanding the roadmap. Yes.
If you follow the step-by-step process, because it is already followed by you previously, like 2000 plus students, don't you think it will work for you also?
Yeah. Correct. Yes.
So you have your answer. I'll tell you what, guys, I am doing this from 2017. This is not new. I'll tell you, this person who's sitting behind this, right? This guy, your mind. It is just stopping you to become an automation tester. Trust me. Okay.
Yeah.
How many of you agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. When you have seen the roadmap, when you have seen the topics, and when you have seen the projects, everything I have shown you high level. This is how other people have done it in 4 months. Yes or no?
Yes.
Still you have a doubt. Why? Because this guy is always doubting yourself. Okay. So how to rectify this? Take actions.
But
Okay.
and
Beat this guy.
can you share the videos? Means the session, whatever the next upcoming classes are there. So getting the class, we can prepare ourselves and we can learn, grab the things. Will it be any such things are possible from your
Yes,
side?
yes. See, what I'm doing is, because we are starting on 30th of March, 30 of March, right? So there is a down. There is a time. You guys are early for this. And because you are early, that's why you are getting it for old pricing. Let me tell you. This is a old pricing 9999. After the next webinar, it will be 12,500. Please remember this very important point. Okay. And you are also getting previous batch recordings, which we generally don't share. Okay. Plus, you will be also getting playwright course, which is coming in April. And trust me, this playwright course, I have already done the notes and everything. And the playwright course that I'm doing, right? This is exactly the framework that we are using right now. So this notes are already done. It is just that I need to basically create the content in this case. Everything we have covered in this case. Okay. By the way, if you are thinking Selenium, Selenium, we are not covering advanced concept, right? Trust me, you will not able to find all the topics like this into any other ones. Okay. I have covered everything, Chrome options, everything and all. Get text, mastering XPath, everything, advanced concept, alert, head link checkboxes, SVG, Shadow DOM, web tables, page object models, patterns, Jenkins, how to running log4j, AWS basics. We will run our grids also side by side. And if you want this notes, these are Selenium notes. And we will be learning the Java from scratch also, guys. Java from scratch, where I'm assuming you have zero knowledge in Java. That's what we are covering. And this is the notes which we will be following in 4 months. And that's why I told you, right? It is one of the best. Okay. Good. Stephen, is that make sense?
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. Yeah. Quickly, let's take your question. Okay. Mrityunjay, yes, please. Your question, please. Okay.
Hello, Pramod.
Yes.
बेसिकली मैं आईटी बैकग्राउंड से नहीं हूँ, मैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड मैं 2011 से इस बीच में टेक्निकल वगैरह में काम करा, बट मेरे को सक्सेस मिला नहीं, तो अल्टीमेटली मैं 2021 में आईटी की ट्रेनिंग ली.
So you want to move to automation now, right? But that is your query, right?
मैंने आईटी में जॉब करा 6 मंथ. मैंने नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया न्यू दिल्ली में जॉब किया.
Understood. That is fine.
Then after I have get the opportunity working in the Jarvis. I'm working there for the 6 months, but got fired from there because I have manual experience. So
you are a manual tester right nowadays? Yes.
I am manual tester, but right now from February onwards, I didn't have any job. So I want to automation.
See, very simple thing. No, what you need to do is you have to start applying for startups, and where you can showcase that, okay, previously manual testing projects that I have done, right, where I have also automated. Understood? Just justify your knowledge, Mrityunjay. That is possible. Many people do it. Okay. Create your frameworks, justify your knowledge that, okay, yes, I have done it. And that's how you do it. Many people, it doesn't matter if you have a manual testing experience of 1 year, 3 years, 7 years, 10 years, and 14 years, right? In the last batch, last batch, there was a person who has 7 years of experience as a BPO. Can you imagine BPO call center? He is nowadays working as an automation tester he has joined a startup. Okay, that let me tell you clearly. Okay, he was a student. He is available in sj.club. If you want to meet him, I'll let you know. Okay, when you join this program, right, there is a person, that person will help you how he has done it. But he targeted startups, good startups in Bangalore, and he was able to do it. So he was able to do it. Why can't you? Understood?
Okay,
So
but
if that person can do it, you can do it
fear.
too.
Actually, I am coding fear right now.
Coding fear can be removed if you follow a proper roadmap. No, that's what I told you. If you do a lot of practice, if you follow step-by-step process in this case, right? Do you think that will work for you? For other people, it has already worked. No. Okay. That you have to basically trust your mentor on that part.
Basically, I'm in Gurgaon right now. Shall I do that job and start this course, or I focus on this course for months? That's my question.
See, my recommendation is if you can do it parallelly, also you can do it. Okay. That's where you will feel more confident.
And
Does
one
this
question
make sense?
is that I will got with the 3.6 LPA in NHAI, and then I got a 80% hike in the present salary. I got 6.5 in BJP ITCL. So I will
Okay.
go with the 15,000, 20,000 salary right now as a software tester, manual tester.
You can try out. Yes.
Is
You
it
can.
okay to come back 30,000?
See, if you are getting an automation profile or a manual testing profile, which you think it's a good company, you can go towards it. Okay.
He will offering me around 2.4. Is it okay to join in Gurgaon?
For automation profile.
And for manual profile, sir, actually didn't have the
Manual profile, see, but my recommendation is if you can get it for high, right, that will be great. Okay. Don't be empty-handed. Get whatever you are getting. After that, you can start applying for other ones.
Okay, so
Make sense?
I start the course side by side and also for the job.
That would make sense. That will give you confidence also, and you will not have a fear in your mind also. Okay.
You are from
Double
New
fear.
Delhi. You are from New Delhi, sir. Where? Which location?
Yes. New Delhi only. Okay.
Which location, sir?
We'll discuss. Okay. Not
Okay.
everyone.
Actually, I want to
I'll
meet
see you
you.
in the course, guys. I'll see you, huh? Bye-bye,
I want to
Mrityunjay.
meet you personally. That's why, sir.
No worries, no worries. We'll meet definitely. We'll try. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We'll have a meetup where you can meet me. Okay. No worries.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you live. Okay. Don't worry. Yes, rapid fire. Okay. Rajesh, quick question. Okay. Quickly. Rajesh, go on. Then Tejas, Rajesh, Akhil, you are next. Okay. Mohit, Rafina. Rajesh, go on quickly. Okay. Rapid fire, guys. Rapid fire.
Hi, Pramod.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Your
have
question.
a total of 8 years of experience with
Okay.
manual testing only.
Okay. Okay.
So I have a lot of coding fear, and
Okay.
whenever I tried, right, so I'll be starting with 4 or 5 automation classes, and I was like not able to like get it properly, and I was like stopping in the middle. So
Okay. Do you think if you follow 30-day plan, if you do parallelly, if you do, let's say, 100+ coding question also, then you feel more confident? Rajesh, what do you think? And if the same roadmap is done by, there are more than, let's say, 500, 600 non-IT like person you who had a coding fear, those people have done it. Do you think it will work for you? Yes.
yes,
What do you
yes,
think?
yes.
So you have your answer. Okay. So you have to trust the system sometimes, right? Yes. Today, Mohammed Kaif was telling, okay, there's one story. He was telling the same story, by the way, today. Okay. So he was telling, Mohammed Kaif was telling that there was a mentor. He told me, run around a, what we call a arena. Okay. And there was too much fog. So he trusted the mentor and still he was basically roaming around. Okay. So sometimes you don't see any path. You have to trust the mentor and you have to take a leap of faith. Okay. Today only I heard this story. Okay. By the way. And same thing is there. Okay. Understood?
Actually, I tried the other offline training also, and one of the famous YouTuber training
What is
also.
the problem? What do you think? What's your problem in that case? What was the thing?
I'm not able
Is it
to follow, and like in the middle, I was like not getting like how to.
why? What was the reason for this?
If
Why
I
in the
stuck
middle
somewhere,
suddenly?
yeah, if I stuck somewhere, right? So at the time, nobody was able to help me, and
So doubt session was not there. There was no doubt session.
yeah, it was there, but
No video conversation like this where everyone will solve your doubt. Is that guys? My live classes are like this only, by the way. Okay. In the end, I take questions and I will be keep taking the questions until all the queries are answered. Does this make sense, Rajesh? This is how I am ready to give my 100%. Are you ready to give your 100%? That is important. And you have to trust the mentor, Rajesh. Trust me. This is the only reason this is. Okay. There are no offline classes, Abhishek. We don't do only offline classes. It's only online classes. Okay. Good. Rajesh, clear with this point? Rajesh, clear? Yes.
yes.
Good. Anything else? There.
Nothing. Thank you.
Good, Rajesh. I'll see you then, huh? Yes, Tejas, your question, please. Tejas, go on, please. Akhil, your question, please. Akhil, you are done? Then we'll take more questions, okay? We have a lot of people.
Hello, Pramod.
Yes, yes.
Can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, I can.
Is there, Udemy is also there. What is the difference between Udemy and taking
See,
study?
okay, Udemy, I'll tell you. Okay, Udemy is something which is okay. Tell me, Akhil. Let me tell you a very strange fact. Okay, Udemy is recorded courses. First of all, okay, it's a live course. You are learning from a mentor who is right now working in the framework. You are creating framework from scratch. You are learning core Java 30-day plan, which people have already followed, and you are going to follow the same strategy in the live classes. There will be doubt sessions, which if you're stuck somewhere, right? And do you think when you basically go towards a self-paced course, okay, let me tell you the strange fact, okay, almost 70 to 80% of the people have not watched the third video of Udemy. Do you think, Akhil, this is a correct survey? What do you think?
Yes, I have to start Udemy courses, but I have
Udemy, by the way, Udemy released this fact, okay? People have not seen the third video because people love to learn in live classes. You are learning with me, no? I am teaching you the roadmap. You have shown you something, shown you everything, right? People love it, right? Yes or no? And what I am got the answer, right?
Yes, I got it. No, thank you. And
see, important thing is you have to learn from live projects. Okay, Udemy also, if you see, right, the people have created the projects in 2017. Those projects doesn't work. Right now, we have a upgraded version of Loomberg that we are using. Advanced concept, how you run in on AWS, all the commands, many commands have changed. Many concepts have changed. Selenium is also new, right? You know many things, right? So what you are learning from a mentor who is right now doing what I'm telling. Does this make sense, Akhil?
Yes.
I hope this is clear your doubt, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
And you already said that we will get recordings if I miss some classes.
Right. But did you understand the roadmap? Did you loved it or not? Tell me. How was the feedback?
I have following you in YouTube from past
It's
few
good.
months.
Good. But did you see? Have you seen this kind of clarity? Because see, when you have a clarity, then your doubts are clear. No, Akhil. What do you think? Yes. Okay. Good. I think so. It means I'm doing something good. Right? Is it? Awesome, Akhil. Thank you for the feedback. Okay. Vidhi, your question, please. Vidhi Kumar. Vidhi, you are done, right? I think yes. Sorry. Chetra, your question, please.
No, but I just need a favor, no? Along with this Java course, if I got some programming and sample projects, just a favor from your side, I would be looking for
You will
in
be
near
getting
future.
you will be getting the projects. Okay, don't worry on this point. Okay.
For Python, right?
For Python, masterclass is there, and definitely will speak. Okay, Vidhi. That favor is I have noted down. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.
No worries. Okay, I think Akhil, you are done. Chetra, you are done. Chetra Gurudev, please, you can unmute yourself and ask. Okay. Then Rafina.
Of experience only in manual testing.
Okay.
So in the morning I cannot attend the live session. Like what is the option with here?
You have not. You're not going to attend live.
You're not going to attend live. Morning time it's not possible since I'm working and like home work.
You will get recordings, you know. Many people.
No.
Okay, so I think I'm getting my voice back. What I'm trying to say is you will get a recordings, no, Chetra. Don't worry in that pains. So after recording, after 1 hour, it will be uploaded. You can ask a question on sd.live. And every Friday, 8 p.m., we have a doubt sessions also. You can attend the sd.cloud doubt session also. So I hope this will clear your doubt. Okay, there are many people who join it, okay, who have a timing issues or something. What they do is they attend the session or through phones because it's a normal Zoom class. If they are not able to do it, they attend the videos. They ask question on sd.club. If the answer is still they want, okay, there is a specifically query. Friday 8 p.m. we have a doubt session on sd masterclass. You can attend that. Okay, I hope that will help. That will helpful for you. Okay, Rafina, your question, please. Can we get this recorded also? This session on Zona. Okay, I will send you. Okay.
Hi,
if you
sir.
want.
Could you
Yes, please. Yes, go on.
Hi, Pramod. I'm working as a manual tester around 2.5 years. So
Okay.
I'm just trying to switching the job. At that time, I get the knowledge about I doesn't have any knowledge about automation testing and no practice, like no work experience. This is my first drawback when I'm applying jobs. I didn't get able to select it. So is this program using this and live projects is my I can able to get a good job in automation testing, because without work experience, how we get?
See, without experience doesn't matter. No, you have done manual testing, right?
Yeah.
Yes, right. So whatever the manually thing that you have done, right? What I would recommend you is after doing this course, easily you can showcase 4 to 5 years experience, because the framework that we are creating is something which is created by 4 or 5 years of experience for a software QA, senior software QAs. Okay. So if you have a justification of knowledge, what you can showcase is, guys, I have done like 1 year of automation while I was in previous company. That thing you can showcase that I have automated. These are the automation things you can showcase your projects and everything, right? Because nobody can verify if you have done in your previous company manual testing or automation. Yes or no? No, your HRs cannot call to your manager and ask, because it is under the non-disclosure agreement, which is NDAs, right? I cannot tell you which project I am working in an automation. Okay, this is one of the things, and many students do it. So if you have a knowledge, only caveat is if you have a knowledge, then you can do it, Rafina. Make sense? Makes sense?
So
Is that
how about
clear?
the doubt clearing sessions? Like if we are doubt clearing sessions, in every time we are stucking, we have a mentor to ask the questions and clearing every time.
You can ask me, no? You can ask me. Have you seen the session total? First of all, I have basically delivered the content. Then I am taking the Q&A session, right? Same session generally I take it. If you want to see the today's class also, right? I'll show you. Okay. I think we have not uploaded. Like I'll upload it also. So if you see that this is where I'm teaching something. Okay. So in the end, if you take, I'm taking questions. If you can see it or not, let me show you. This is a recording, by the way, I'm showing you. Let me see if it is
I can see
playing.
the screen.
See, Sandeep,
Oh,
Sandeep Changli is asking question, right? Yes. Can you see?
We had a good
I
session
can
with
see.
core Java.
Right. So it is a core Java session, by the way. So he's speaking and all. Make sense? Does this make sense? So all
Yeah.
the questions, so last 30 minutes is all about your questions, Rafina. Make sense?
Yeah. Okay.
So it will, your doubt session will be, all of them will be created. Okay. And you will see me also, if you stick to the end for this webinar, right? See, I am taking all the questions. You will see me also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Rohit. Yes, Rohit D. Yes, Vikas, go on. I'm not able to see the EMI option. Okay. EMI option, you will see if you click on this Razor Pay, right, Vikas, click on promote option. After that, there is an option of EMI. Okay. After that, you will see an option of EMI in the Razor Pay option. Okay. If you are from India. And guys, if you are from US or something, then the price will be $167. Okay. And there will be no discount for this. Okay. Just to let you know. Okay. Let's take a question. Mohit, your question, please. Yes. Mohit?
Yeah, hi sir. So
Yes.
sir, I am now working as a manual tester from since last 6 years. But
Okay.
right now I just want to switch my career in the automation testing. But the problem is like I have taken some training for the automation testing, so they gave me some assignments, but I was not able to solve those assignments. So I lose my
Why? Why? What was the reason? Haven't they told you to upload the onto GitHub day by day exercises you are not doing, Mohit?
No, they gave some exercises, but I was not able to solve those.
Then nobody asked your progress also, no?
No,
No the information about attendance, no progress and everything, nothing.
no.
Then they have not properly used a structure mechanism. No, that's what I'm telling you. Na? This is a very structured course, step by step. What daily what we are doing, it is there. So what was the core reason, Mohit? Because you are not able to do the assignments. What was it? I think Mohit, you can unmute now. Okay.
Yeah, I had the lack of coding knowledge, so that is the
Coding knowledge is because they have not followed the proper roadmap of coding also. No, 30 days roadmap you have seen, right?
Yes,
Step by
yes.
step, what are the topics we need to do? What are the
Yeah,
corresponding programming questions we have to do? What are the
yeah,
interview questions we have to do side by side, right? That's
yeah.
how the structured content is. So if you join the testing academy course, right, I'm pretty much sure all these queries will be solved. And you will be, see, in the end, we will have a doubt sessions like this. So if you are not able to understand, you can tell me. Does this
Okay,
make
sure.
sense?
Yeah.
right? So this
Yeah.
will helpful for you.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I just want to know one more thing. So it will be a weekly class or once in a weekend?
It will be a timing. I think I have shared with you, right? This is Tuesday, Thursday, and TTS. It is a TTS. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
This is the timing that we are going, guys. This is where you can join. 30th of March we will start with live class. And if you join it today before 12 a.m., you will get all the 4 plus bonuses. Plus, you will get previous batch recordings also, which we don't share, and we sell it for 10,000 rupees only. Okay, this is important. Ajay is saying, sir, take my question. Okay, I am taking your questions also. Okay, yes, Ajay, go on. Okay, then we will take Rohit your question. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I just
Yes.
want to ask you. I'm from mechanical engineering background. I completed my mechanical engineering 2019, and after that, I have 2 years of gap due to lockdown. And after that, I choose to switch my career in ITs, and I take Java web development courses, and then I selected as a trainer. And I'm right now I'm training people from college and schools and in an institute. But whenever I'm trying to get an interview, the people are telling that you have experience as a trainer and you don't have to to land in ITs. And that's why I'm taking your webinar, and I want to switch my career in testing. Is that possible to land my career in testing? That question I
That
have.
is absolutely possible. That is absolutely possible. Short answer, absolutely possible. Many people have done it, right? You just have to justify your experience as well as your knowledge. Okay. So this course
Okay,
will
sir.
help you to get the knowledge. It is possible to do that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Does this
Okay, sir.
make
Okay,
sense?
sir.
Yes, Sai Vamsi,
Okay, sir.
your question, please.
Thank you.
Sai Vamsi, your question, please.
Hi,
After Karan is saying, sir, after purchasing the course, where you will find the links. Okay, you will get a links. Okay, Karan, you will get a links. Yeah, go on, please. Sai.
I just like I paid and I joined, but I wanted to know about the projects. Like, how will we get? So it's a little complicated.
Projects we will be doing. There are a couple of projects we have already discussed, right? And you will find it on website practice link that I have shared also, right? And for API automation as well as web automation, right? We will be using this framework and we will be automating our projects. I'll show you how to run it via the GitHubs and Jenkins and everything. We will be using this stack, which is very common to use nowadays. Okay. And the projects I will mention, don't worry. Okay. I will be discussing all the projects which we are going to mention side by side. Okay.
So that will be mentioned in the.
It will be mentioned in the overall because you have a previous batch recordings also, right? You can see the projects also. Okay. Just go and see which project we are discussing. Okay. There are multiple. Okay. Yes, Vikas. Go on, Vikas. Yes, Vikas is there. Vikas want to ask. A couple of other people are there. Okay, let me ask.
Okay.
Akansha. Yes, Vikas, go on, please.
Yeah, hi Pramod. So I'm Vikas and from Mumbai. So I just want to know that we are starting the batch from this month 30th, the last date of this month. Okay.
Yes.
So
Last
we
day.
have like a 20 more days in hand. So is there any prerequisite we need to prepare for to before
Yes,
attending the
exactly.
classes?
If you join it right on the sj.club, there is a video which I have shared where I have discussed what is the strategy you need to follow. What are the videos you need to watch? Everything I have discussed on this video. Okay.
Okay. I just don't want to waste the days we have in hand before the courses,
So
and
there is
after
a
taking the
previous batch recordings are there. You can accelerate your process because.
Okay, and after taking this course, are we able to like build a framework from the scratches?
Exactly. You will be building with me live. If you see right now, let me show you also. We are learning and doing side by side. This is what I do. And people basically please see where people are doing it with me as well as they are uploading to their GitHub profile also. See, let me show you also. Okay. So if you see, this is a recording of previous batch that you have. For example, right now we have only. Okay, I'm lowering the video. Do you see? It will be little blurry. Okay, let me change it to 180p. Do you see a framework? How many of you can see this? See, we are coding live. Right? If it is a QA test case, what I want to do, I want to run only QA related tests. Does this clear your doubt? Yes, because I hope so. Yes, it clears your doubt, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. Good.
Yes,
This
Pramod.
is a
Thanks.
this is a very satisfactory yes. Okay. All right. Sanjana, your question, please. Yes. Okay.
Hi, Pramod.
Yes.
Good evening. So basically, I have 3 years of experience in automation and manual testing. And
Okay.
previously, I was using Tosca as a tool for automation. But right now, what my project is planning is to move every framework and everything to open source tools like
Okay.
using Selenium and Python. And also, I
Okay.
heard of a framework name as Flash, which is new for me. So
Hmm.
I just wanted to know, like, will those
Hmm.
frameworks and everything will be covered in this course, or like, or will this course will help me to understand these frameworks, the future frameworks,
See,
right? Like Ninja,
understood.
Flash, and etc. etc.
Yes. Okay. The question has the answer, but I'll tell you the important thing. This is basically a course which will basically teach you core Java concept, OOPS concept, and collection framework. It will help you to learn about the API testing concepts with Python, with Postman, as well as with the rest assured, where you will create your own framework also. You will be also learning Selenium Advanced and creating framework. It's a custom hybrid framework which can run more than 15,000 test cases parallelly also, which we are using also. Okay. So what you are learning is everything which is a common base for everything. Now, it doesn't matter if you join any new company or anywhere where people are using Selenium, right? Automatically, because you have a knowledge of framework, you can create your own new framework there also, right? But the new framework which is coming, which is Flash, we are not teaching anywhere nearby, but the concept remains same. In Selenium, concept remains same. Find the locator, automate this. Find the locator, automate this. Does this clear your doubts? I hope so, right? Yes. I think you have muted yourself, right? Let me unmute you. 1 second. Right? This clear? Okay. I think yes. The answer is yes. Okay, good. Rama. Rama has some question. Who is this? Ram Shankar, yes, please. Your question. Then Tejas, we will take your question also. Okay. Rama, is that done?
Hello.
Yes. Yes, yes, please go on.
Hi. So I'm having 5+ years of manual testing experience and
Okay.
also
Okay.
having a basic knowledge of Selenium and Java. So the current scenario is like my company is planning for automating all the things. So right
Okay.
now there we are using that Angular application. So is it capable of handling those kind of applications?
Okay.
Selenium Java, or should we consider any other platforms? So that is what I am stuck.
See, when I was in Wingify, right, we also had Angular and we were using Java. Okay. Then we switched to JavaScript, but couple of codes were also in Java, right? So we were keep on switching in this. In the end, we have chosen whichever is best work for where company as well as people knows about it. Okay. So API testing, we are doing it for rest assured. So it depends. But core concept remains same. Does it make sense to you? Core concept of programming plus framework remains same. Only syntax changes. Okay. So this is about Java. You will be learning everything from Java. After that, if you want to switch to any other language, like Python or JavaScript, it will be super easy. Okay. How
Okay,
many of you
so
want to connect if you have still doubt? Okay, one second. Huh?
okay.
How many of you want to still connect with me? Right. I'll share my WhatsApp number if you have a doubt related to course. How many of you want give me I in the chat? Pramod sir, I want your WhatsApp number, but please don't call me. Okay. Only WhatsApp. Don't call me at 2 a.m. Okay, because there are many people call me. Okay. So I am sharing the link. You can ping me there. Okay, ping me here. Okay, and me and my team will be answering all these questions. Yes, Rama Shankar, is that fine?
Okay,
Akhil is
so
already joined.
my
Good.
my question is like the Selenium Java is a good choice to automate this kind of applications, or should I
I
wait
think it
for
is right
Selenium
now in
Python?
2024 and 25. It is still the best. Selenium and rest assured in Java. Still the best. Still the winner. Still the OG. Okay.
Okay.
And out of 10, you will find 7 jobs related to Java. But there are 2-3 jobs related to Python also, which is also increasing nowadays. Okay. So it depends upon, right? It depends upon your choice. But go with the maximum number of companies which are hiring. It's your choice again, right? There are people who do everything on Python. I have a Python batch also where people are getting jobs also in Python also. So depends your way. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
If there is any opening related to Python, right? Promote students testing academy, they are getting hired because we are adding so much value.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, Ramashaka. I'll see you in the class. Bye bye.
Yes. Sure.
Yes, there is one question. Akansha, you have question, right? Kunal, Rajesh, Shilpa, we will take your questions also, guys. Okay. Fair enough. Yes, Vidhi. There is a way to make GPay. It is very simple, no? GPay, you can make, basically click on this link. Okay, Vidhi. Okay, Tejas, you want, who basically was there? Tejas, your question, please. Yes, meanwhile. Enter your name, something, select rest assured, razor pay, sorry. And after that, yes, Tejas, you can keep asking. Okay, I'm just showing you one thing. One second, huh? How to pay by using GPay, right? Generate a QR code. Okay, generate a UPR QR code, and somebody wants to buy. Okay, buy it for me. So if you scan this, you will be able to pay. Okay, you can scan this by using GPay, PhonePay, or something. Okay, but don't do it for this because you will be buying for me. Enter your email ID before this. Okay. So make sure you enter your correct email ID and password. Oh, sorry, your details here. Okay. So on this link, enter your correct user, collect first name, email ID, and phone number, and generate a QR code. Okay. You can use direct link also this thing. Yes, go on, please, Tejas.
Yeah. Hi, Pramod. I have a total of 12 years of experience in manual, and it's a long journey. I want to
But
switch.
let me ask you one thing. Now, do you think it's a mandatory to become an automation tester? What do you think?
Absolutely, it is a mandatory because when I search jobs, out of 100 jobs, there are 99 jobs are there for automation. Even though
And
they
I
say
am
in the
saying this
title.
from 2020. Okay, 2020.
Okay.
There was a first video where I have told convert yourself from manual to automation rights. So
Definitely.
I'm just saying this again because I have seen those things. Automation is something which everyone has to switch. All the
Yes,
manual
yes,
testers,
yes.
a red flag for you. Okay.
Correct. Even
Yes,
though they are
here's your question.
mentioning manual testing, they need automation understanding at least. So actually, I have worked in 3 product-based companies as a manual tester. Those were in telecommunication, and now I'm in proper IT. So here I'm seeing they require good knowledge of automation and a little bit of stack knowledge.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
I mean, my question is, I am on a verge of, becoming into a more on a, management side role.
That
So,
makes sense. Still, you have to learn. See, I am also a
yeah,
QA
yeah,
asset manager, but I
correct,
am very much comfortable in framework knowledge and others. So don't assume that
correct.
you don't have to learn automation. Okay.
Absolutely. That was my question. Like, I need to learn automation now. So how, I mean, the time which the 4 months which you have told, is it sufficient to learn, automation? I'm not getting that idea.
That is what see I am teaching from 2017 by the way. Okay.
Okay.
So this is one of the right now what you see here, right? So more than 6,000 plus students have already taken from 2017, by the way, I'm telling.
Okay.
Last year only this was rectified by more than 2,000 plus students. So
Great.
whatever that you see this roadmap, right, guys, this roadmap that I'm showcasing you, right, it is very rectified version how people have given 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 hours per day to cover all these topics to become an automation tester. So
Great.
if this doesn't work for you, no, trust me, nothing will work. Trust me, this is what my belief is. Okay.
Okay,
And
Pramod.
it has worked for almost many people. You will find all the testimonials, by the way, here. Okay. This is
Great.
not I have written. You can also submit. Okay. If you think my course is bad after this, you can submit and it will be visible here. Okay. This is a wall of this. You can
Okay.
see all this.
Pramod, one more query. Actually, I wanted to
Yes.
ask, previously I have tried one of the, online lectures also.
Okay.
They were
Makes
also
sense.
providing live courses. But the thing was, they had 55 students in the batch. And it was
Okay.
really very difficult, to wait and, wait for the turn and the person will answer and after like half an hour, they used to disconnect it and they used to tell that, you
Okay.
submit
You
your
will
question
see me.
online.
Okay. Let's do one thing. Your turn is done, right? And just wait when this webinar ends, okay?
Okay, great. So I just wanted to make sure like how many students you take in a batch or
Does it matter, Tejas? Does it matter?
no,
I
it
think
doesn't. But
you are
I
learning
would,
from me. Where
yeah,
you
yeah,
need to focus. The interaction should be one-to-one, and Pramod sir, I will be able to ask questions, and that's the important thing. Okay.
yeah.
And one more
Okay,
thing is we have a SDTOT club. No, there are hundreds of other people who will be helping you also. So can
that's
you
great.
imagine there are 3,000 other people annualized who also have this access to this. Okay. So if whenever you have a doubt, if they already know, they will reply, right? Why you have to wait for Pramod?
Okay, great.
For
Thank you
example,
so much.
for example, this guy asked some question related to API testing. Chinmay knows about this. So Chinmay answered it.
Okay,
Does it make
that's
sense?
nice.
Right?
That's
Couple
nice.
of
Yeah.
questions. If it is reaching to me, it means it is something which is not handled by a couple of guys. Okay.
Okay. That's
So
great.
you
Thank
can,
you, Pramod.
and I told you, right? We are doing this from 2017. So this is not a new thing.
Yeah, right. That's why I joined this. Like, I really want to see you in the masterclass here. That's it.
You
Thank
will
you.
always see me, and I will try my best to help you guys. See, guys, very important thing is I'm searching for serious people who think that if you think that you can become an automation tester, right, you can
Yeah.
too. Because when I was around 2011 or something, right, when I was a manual tester, okay,
Mhm.
and I thought that I can become an automation tester. Still, there was one problem, okay, because I was from electronics and communication, non-IT.
Same here.
And never done coding in Java, never heard about Java also. So it was very difficult, and I didn't have these kind of roadmaps. Okay, so I
Okay.
struggled. I struggled a lot, and there are people who are charging 50,000 rupees,
Correct.
35,000 rupees for automation courses and everything. Then I
And
decided,
then
okay, let's make it very affordable so that everyone can become an automation tester. So this is where the I think the amount is. Still, people think it is high because they compare it with Udemy. Okay, Udemy doesn't give you results. Trust me.
I have tried Udemy. It's not worth it.
Even I have tried. Okay, Tejas. I have never watched third video.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you,
Because see,
Pramod.
what happens is the interaction is missing. No, you are interacting
Yes.
with me. You are live person. I am live person, right?
Correct.
There
That's
is a
correct.
person who has created Udemy course in 2015, recorded and sold in 2016, and
Right.
that person you even don't know what happened to that person in 2024, right?
Correct.
So this is the problem with Udemy. Okay, I have never seen people getting results from Udemy. If they are getting it, good for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Pramod.
No worries. Okay. Gaurav, yes, your question, please. Shilpa, yes, I know you are waiting. Okay, we'll take your question also. No worries.
So, hi Pramod.
Hmm.
I'm having around 9+ years of experience into manual testing.
Okay. Okay.
So, just wanted to ask, like, as someone asked previously, my question is the same. Like, this course will be beneficial for me as well, right? Having this much of years experience into manual testing.
But I recommend it's very simple. After taking this course, because this course, the frameworks that we are creating for API and Selenium, right? You can easily showcase 4 to 5 years. I'll show
Okay.
you. I'll tell you. Last batch, there was a person named Vishnu who has 14 years experience as a manual.
Okay.
What he has done was, after taking this course and everything, right? He showcased that okay, last 3 years I am doing automation. Of course, I cannot tell you about my project, but I can tell you the framework that I have created, as well as for Rest Assured, as well as for Selenium. And I
Okay.
have seen he's now working somewhere. I'll not tell you the details, but on SD.club you can get in touch with him if you want.
Okay. Fine.
This
So,
is a very simple thing that people do it. Okay?
yeah,
All of
got
you
it.
can do it. It's not a hack. It's a very simple thing. If you can justify your knowledge, you can get a
Yeah,
value.
it requires a lot of practice then. If we are, saying someone like we
See,
have,
practice you have to do. No, I'll tell you a very
right.
important thing. Okay, let me show you one thing. I always recommend to all of you to create and upload your solution to github.com. Why? I'll show you. Okay, this is a Python 2x batch, by the way. In automation also we have done it. Let me see. Share your repository. Where is your share your repository? You will see there are all the students have to share their repository. Okay.
Yes.
Advice, push all your codes to GitHub. See, okay, this is not exactly the one which I want to showcase. There is one where you will see all the students have shared all the repositories. Okay. I think this one. Okay. This one contains, see, do you see? And
Yes.
I'm checking each every one of them. Each one of them, have you pushed the code or not? Have you pushed the code or not? This is a accountability also that I want all of you from you. This is how the serious people do. That's what my recommendation. Understood this point?
Yes, I got your point. So,
That's why people get results. Okay, that's why people get results.
got it, got it. So, my next question is that what topics we need to go through before live classes as far as that
Yes,
roadmap is
this is
concerned?
exactly which is covered in this video. I have already created a group. You will be a part of ATB Success automatically. You will find all the discussion that you see, right? I have given you exactly where you need to find, as well as what you have. We have created a video for you. Just watch this 5 to 10 minutes videos. What do you have to do before 30, right? I have explained everything here.
Okay, so at
Okay.
least there is some prerequisite before going to the live classes.
Right. You should accelerate your progress also, right?
Okay. And one more thing, like we'll be, covering Java as far as programming language is concerned. So I just wanted to understand about the teaching methods. Like, will there be PPT kind of teaching method or totally practical approach would be there?
I follow notes. These are the notes that I have already created, by the way. Okay. This is a curated notes. I think it is rectified by more than 5,000 students plus. So it contains all your silly doubts also. Okay.
Okay.
Even your interview, what is a Java compiler means, what is a compiler, what is a JIT also, what is a bytecode, all the interview also I have covered. Okay.
Okay.
What is the versions, all these things, as well as I have a Java, what we call slides also, which I prefer. So which you can use both ways. And I also teach by using Figma by designing. And if you want to really see, I create a lot of diagrams also on iPad to showcase you. This is Selenium page object to explain you. Okay.
Yeah,
This
means
is
I was coming to that point only, like if we take an example of, let's say, one of the topics in OOPS, inheritance, and yours, teaching that particular concept. So, for practical approach as well, you refer these kind of methods as well, like which you're showing right now,
right. Yes. If you
right?
want to, yes, of course. Same thing. Inheritance and everything I have explained properly with diagrams. Okay. By the way, pardon my handwriting, but you will understand.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so just
Yes.
wanted to
Okay.
understand it won't be totally related to the PPT and all these things because it becomes
No.
very boring
Mostly we
after
will
a
taking
particular.
lot of things. This is all the inheritance that we have, right? In Java. Single, multiple, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid. What are these? How these can be implemented? And not only that, we will be creating questions, or you will see repositories where we will be doing all the exercises also, by the way. Okay. So 1 second. Huh? I'll show you the programs. Okay. Java programs.
Mhm.
Here you will find source, okay, and you will see OOPS concept, right? If you find from 30 to 17th, lab 114 and everything, right? I have explained everything related to do how to create a function, inheritance. I think you will find it somewhere here. Okay. This is by the way encapsulation demo. Bad example of encapsulation, access modifier, okay. ATB inheritances, polymorphism examples. Okay, all these
Okay, but
examples I have given.
if required, you prefer to create, classes on that particular moment as well, if required. Means
No, it is a
practical.
very structured way. It is very structuredly programmed. What you have to learn step by step. If you see, right,
Mm-hmm.
it is properly structured with the notes, with the lab exercises also. We will be doing more than 300 plus lab exercises. If you see, okay, this is just 189 till now. You see, till OOPS concept. After that, collection framework was also there. Some API also there, right? So those things make sense. So we will be covering the example, and you will be uploading this into your repository also. That's why I want. Make sense?
Yeah, it does. But still, I just wanted to understand, like, if I talk about one topic, then how do you go for it as far as live class is concerned? Like, as you were showing one of the, example into the Git,
Mm-hmm.
right? So you means prefer to, write code right from the beginning again, or you just simply, tell about that
Right,
particular
everything I generally write by on. Okay,
in the
this
live
thing that you see,
classes?
this is in live class. I have created full code. Okay,
Yeah,
all
yeah,
these
that's
examples
what.
are live. I have coded. Acha, you have not seen this video, no? Do you see? I am right now typing.
Yes, that's what I was asking actually.
Acha. Do you see I'm right now typing or not? Do you see?
Right.
In front of you, I'm typing. Okay. By the way, I don't know why my video is missing. I think camera was missing at the time. Okay. In that case, but you see. Okay. You see,
Okay.
I'm writing the code. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, play. Okay.
No, that's fine, Pramod.
Makes
I
sense, right?
trust you. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Thanks a
Awesome,
lot.
Gaurav. I'll see you. No worries.
Thanks a lot.
Shilpa, yes, you are waiting for long. Okay. Shilpa, your question. Guys, raise your hands again. We will take your questions. Okay. Don't feel shy. There are people who feel shy, right? Just connect with me. Trust me, you will understand. Okay.
Hello,
Just
sir.
raise your hands again. Okay. Raise your hands again. I will take your question. Okay. Yes,
Hello,
Shilpa,
sir.
go on, please. Yes.
Sir. Sir, I just want to share that currently I'm working in supply chain and logistic department. I'm basically from IT background, but since long time I didn't got a job in the IT. So I switched to the another profile. And a few years back, I did a software testing course from one institute, but it was only manual testing and didn't got any job assistance from there. So
What was the problem?
Sir, actually, the course was only for the manual, and they didn't give any kind of placement assistance. They just companies were coming, they just taking aptitude test and not
So what
sharing
is
the.
your expectation? What is your expectation, Shilpa, now?
So I want to actually, it is a need of the time to get a job in software testing, and
I
actually,
think,
at
see,
least.
Shilpa, I'll guide you. Okay. Simple thing will be justify, learn the concept side by side, keep searching, and get a mentor who will help you to get, whenever you are getting rejected or whenever you're getting an interview, right? What is the strategy I have to follow? What are the things, right? So you have to connect with your mentor if possible once a week or something. That's why I have created a SJ.live class Friday evening also. Does this make sense to you? This is
Yes, sir.
where people get lost. In SZ.live, SZ master classes, every Friday we have, right? These kind of questions you can keep asking. Promote, sir, I'm getting rejected. What should I do? My resume didn't get selected. Review my resume. My LinkedIn doesn't work. Resume. Please check it why it is not working. Ask this question to other people also. There are hundreds of people who are basically will help you on SZ.club also. That's where my funda is. So job assistant, not see learning part, all of you can do it. But if I can give you some environment where other people are also there, right? This will solve your problem, isn't it, Shilpa? Shilpa, yes?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
So that's exactly is SJ.club. That's why you're getting, right? You are getting a lifetime access to this, okay, by the way, for this.
Sir, I have another question. That some of my friends are saying that software testing future is not safe. That due to the
So
chat
the
GPT and
same
all.
thing, no? When I have started in 2010 or 11, right?
Yeah.
Same thing has been told to me, okay?
Yeah.
That software testing doesn't have any career.
Yes,
And this is
exactly.
2024, and I am managing a team of 30 plus people of automation tester. Do you still think that?
Yes, exactly. I am also listening this from so many years, but
If you listen
still I
from your
also
neighborhood auntie, no? See, if you listen from your neighborhood auntie or your PM or your product manager, right? Trust me, it doesn't work. Listen from the people who are already doing it and they are into the bigger industries and everywhere. Okay. It will be there. Okay. Don't worry. We also increase, right? See, previously we used to software tester was only for manual testers, but nowadays software testing is include automation is mandatory. So after some time, there will be AI tools which will be added, but it doesn't mean software testing will die. Okay. Developer will make mistake and we will leverage this job. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
No worries. Okay. No worries. No worries, Shilpa. You're okay. Akansha, I will take your question also. Okay. Akansha is scolding me. Okay, guys. Why you are not taking my question? Okay. Yes,
Hi,
Akansha.
Pramod. So my
Yes.
first question is that I would like to have your suggestion that currently I'm learning performance testing also through JMeter.
Okay.
So would it be a problem if I join this course? I mean, would I be able to do both these courses parallelly?
Yes,
Because
you
that
can.
would be my
Performance testing is
project
something. Yes, you
requirement.
can. No. By the way, in SZ Masterclass, we have covered performance related things also. Okay. So we have a session related to performance testing. I have taken it. By the way, I have done performance testing in Wingify. Okay. For 6 months. We
Oh,
have
nice.
used extensively JMeter. We have done distributed JMeter with multiple nodes. So a
Yes,
couple of advanced
master.
concepts I have done. Master slaves. We had
Yes.
64 GB machines, 564 machines, and we have simulated a very decent kind of environment. We have a stage environment where uh, I think that the throughput was 10 seconds per something, okay, that you can understand.
Okay.
So this is
Okay.
what we have simulated. So those sessions I have taken, and you will find those sessions recorded here. And I'm planning security testing performance as well as a couple of things related to mobile testing also in the SJ masterclass this year. Okay. So 4 months,
So
your course live
can
will
I
be
get
completed, but this is the extra content.
so can I get your help also if required? I mean, the practical
We'll
part
try.
as
Yes, we will try. We'll try. On SJ.masterclass Friday, you can ask me questions related to that. I'll try. Okay. I
well.
need
Okay,
to
thank you.
revise probably, but I will try to help you. Okay.
Okay, thank you. And my
Makes sense.
second question is that as like there is that testing club, right, where we can post our questions, and you were telling that anyone else
Right.
means they are different people, so they can answer our question. So
Right.
like I have this question that who is going to verify that whether that answer is correct or not? I mean, there
Me.
may be a probability, right?
Me,
Okay,
no,
so who's
because I generally check this SJ.club. Okay. After this
okay,
call, I will be checking the SJ.club. Okay. I have this
okay,
so many
okay,
notifications. No. This club
okay,
I maintain. This is my club. Okay. I am maintaining this club. So
fine.
that's it. Fine.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you so much.
No worries, Akansha. Yes, who is there? Rahul. Yes, Rahul, your question, please. Okay. Last question, okay. Basa. Basa Varaj, your question, please.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Rahul, go on, please.
So like, what will like my questions are very basic. Like, what will be the course? Like, as I'm already working in a organization, but they haven't given any projects to me. So, working as a manual tester, but they haven't given any project to me. So as of for now, I'm at the same time I was learning. I have learned some basic Java and some Selenium. So. Uh, So I want to ask that what will be the course of timing? So as my company timings are two morning to night 11. So it will be a daily course. It will be a daily course or a weekend course.
No, it is Tuesday timings. I think you have missed, right? So timing will be this. Okay. Tuesday, Thursday, 7 a.m. to 8:30. Saturday, we have 7 to 9 a.m. IST. This is the timings that we will be following. If you miss the class, don't worry. It will be uploaded and given to you on the like this. Okay. All the recordings are available for lifetime, guys. Lifetime we are uploading, and you can watch the videos. For example, this is the video that you can watch and click on start and you can watch what. If you have doubt, you can ask on the sdet.club immediately on your private group. Does this clear your doubts, Rahul?
Yes. One more thing. So the course timings are Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. 3 days in a week, right?
Yes.
3 days in a week. And one more thing, are you going to cover from the very basic?
Very basic, very basic. Okay, if you see Java nodes, I am starting from very basics, simple programs, basic programs. Why Java was introduced, why Java is not indented, what is the difference between Java, Python, simple program, what is the source code? You have zero knowledge about what is source code, right? What is about code, what exactly is things, how to install JDK, basics, core basics, how your JDK looks like, different version of Java is available. What happens if JDK is not properly installed, Java versus C++, difference between interview questions, what is an object, what is a keyword, what is identifier, basic nodes, everything we are going to cover. All the data type, basic, plus interview questions side by side that we will be covering. Okay. Live we will be doing. Okay. I will be doing live in front of you. Interview questions also side by side we will be doing. These are 150 plus interview questions, which will basically are curated list of automation tester. And trust me, you will find a couple of interview questions from this sheet also. These are, we are doing parallelly also.
So apart from live class, can we connect you one on one? Like if you have any doubt.
Friday masterclass, you can connect with me. No, there will be doubt sessions. You can connect with me anytime on that. 8 p.m. After 8 to 9:30, you can connect with me. Okay, Friday evening.
In morning, evening. Okay.
PM.
Okay.
In the PM.
PM.
Okay. All right, Rahul.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Yes. Baswaraj. Yes. But okay, guys, if you want to still have a doubt, right? Let me share guys, all the people who have already enrolled, don't worry, you will get access. Team is working on it. You can always connect to me on WhatsApp. Raise your queries, I will be replying. Okay, Vidhi and everyone. Does this make sense? Is it clear? Baswa, unmute. Okay. Raise your questions. Okay, Vishnu has raised one more question.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hello.
Baswa, go on. Yes,
Can you
yes,
hear me,
please.
Pramod? Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
Pramod, currently I'm working in one of the big product company like Boeing.
Okay.
So I have couple, I mean, 3 years of experience in automation testing. Like I have Java and Selenium experience. So currently, what I am doing is like I am automating a desktop application, but this is like not
Okay.
open source tool. It is leveraged by the Boeing people. They developed that tool, and we need to do that. So you can take it as a no coding tool. So I am working there from the first 1 year. So I forgot everything like Java Selenium. I need to update my
Then you need to
skills.
revise. Okay, I think.
Yeah, I need to, yeah, this
If
is what
you
happened.
go to market, right, Baswa,
Yeah,
trust me, you will find because you have learned from a company specific tools, right?
yeah,
You need to revise your concept 100%. 100%. It is mandatory for you. Okay, else it will be very difficult for you to get a new job. Okay.
yeah. And one more question is like the requirement in my current project is REST assured API automation. So
That we had.
like, yeah, so that is added. But why you haven't mentioned in that 4 months course like 30 days, 30 days, 30 days? There you haven't mentioned about that API automation. Why you have not mentioned that?
Why I have not mentioned?
Hmm.
I think I have mentioned no API testing rest assured here. This is API testing and rest assured.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Maybe I have not shown that.
Maybe you have not seen it, but okay, yes.
Yeah.
Rest assured repository also is there, no? Where you will find all the repository. I'll show you, okay? How we have learned rest assured in last batch also, I'll show you, okay?
Okay.
These are rest assured examples. All the rest assured examples. API automation and rest assured. This is an automation. All the examples you will find here. All the examples that we have done, okay? MISC, TestNG, CRUD, parallel execution, listener, DDT, data driven, BP, builder pattern, non-pattern, everything. Okay.
And this rest assured will be on BDD Cucumber or like hybrid? How it will be?
Both of them. I will explain you both of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Both of them I will explain you. Okay. Fair enough.
Thank you. Yeah, fair enough.
Good. Yeah, Vidhi, you can type. Okay. Is there anything called revision notes? We can refer to future. Akhil, yes. If there is any update, then what I will do is the updates you will be automatically getting. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Vishnu Tej, you are waiting for so long. Sorry, Vishnu Tej, go on, please. You are allowed to speak. Prabhakaran, you are next. Then Kunal Chandan, you are next. Vishnu Tej, where are you, Vishnu Tej? Allowed to talk. Okay, for you, button is not working. Yes, go on. Next one. Who was this? Prabhakaran. Go on, please.
Yeah, Pramod. Good evening.
Good
Actually, I have 11 years of experience with respect to the telecommunications as well as the telnet.
Okay.
So currently, for the telecommunications field, so it's very strict. So we don't get much opportunity in the market. So my wife is working as a developer in a Java. So I thought to step into the in the automation side and the Java side. So will it be possible to step into this career and how to get into the market?
I think give it a try, Prabhakan. To be honest, the answer is many. If there, I have seen, I'll tell you, see, because you have not seen the people who have not done it now. Because I have seen people who are from a BPO background, they were able to switch. There are people from telecom background, they were able to switch. There are people from some commerce, BA, BCom background, they are able to switch, right? So learn it, try it, and I'm pretty much sure you will be able to do it.
Okay.
That's what my recommendation. Understood?
Okay, so for
give it a try, take a leap of faith. No, what happens? You will be moved back to same place. No.
Yeah. Okay. If it is the same case, I seen another video from your side as well for the Python. So whether if it that case means Python suits for me or Java suits for me.
See, it depends your way. It depends totally on you. What do you think? Which one is easy or something? Okay, it's your choice.
Okay.
Does this make sense? It's your choice. Right now we are going with Java, and I'm pretty much think if it is possible to do it. If you think you are relatable, if you understood the roadmap, right?
Yep, I can able to understand. Means that the roadmap which you are seeing and everything, the
Then
concepts on
see,
GitHub and
then
which
I am
you.
pretty much sure it will work for you also. Okay, so give it a try. No, what else? That's what I
Okay.
can recommend. No, the same thing today. Mohammad Kaif was also telling me. No, his mentor told him to just keep running on the track, even though there was a fog, because he trusted the mentor and he was very much comfortable in running the fog also, right? So same thing we have to do, guys. Same thing. Sometimes you, because you don't know the outcome, right? You have to trust your mentor because they have seen people doing it, and you will be able to do it also. Okay. Clear?
Okay, great.
Good. Good. I'll see you, huh, Prabhakaran?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Okay. Yes. Who is next? Okay. Kunal Bomik. Kunal, please go on, please. Kunal Chandan is also there, right? Kunal Chandan, you are next. Okay. Kunal Bomik. Go on, please. Yes, unmute. Kunal Chandan, you can speak, okay? If you're speaking, you can speak. Unmute and speak, right?
Hello.
Go on, please.
Hi,
Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are clear.
Yes, sir. My question was that my pass out year was 2020, and currently I'm fair grip on C, C++, and Java.
Okay.
So what should be my approach since the openings about the Java developers are pretty much dry up for the 3-4 years back batch. So what should my approach? So I concentrate on core Java as well as Spring Boot and Hibernate also, or what should I do for the opening skills?
I can only guide you for automation profile. If you
I know,
want peace of mind, right?
Yes.
What I am telling you is, if you want peace of mind, and if you think
Yes,
you
sir.
can code with the minimum thing, if you follow this roadmap, I'm pretty much sure you will be very much comfortable with automation testing profile, and you will get a
Right,
decent
sir.
salary. Trust me.
Right, sir. But there was a hurry, so want to upskill, so I want to parallelly apply for this of automation also and developer also.
You can. You
But
can. No, see,
in automation,
if you get an opportunity
will
in developer, fine.
yes. Will you cover the advanced Java
Development
also?
point
That
of view,
was
we will not cover, Bomik.
no, I know that, but will you cover the advanced Java portion also, like Spring and Hibernate?
No. Spring and Hibernate we are not covering right now, but we will
That's
cover core
framework.
election framework and OOPs.
That's a framework part now. That's a framework
No.
part of
That is specifically for developer point of view. No, the framework which we are learning is specific for automation tester. Understood? Which will land you to job in automation. Spring Boot and Hibernate, these are frameworks, but these are not for automation profiles. Understood?
Right, sir.
Clear? Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am very specific for automation testing. So if you want to, you can add Hibernate knowledge and Spring Boot knowledge for development point of view also. You can give it a try for another profile. Make sense?
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Kunal. Awesome. Kunal Chandan, please go on. Yes. Sorry, your doubt was there, right? Yes, go on. Rajesh Roshan, you are next. Yes.
Okay, Pramod. So I have 3.5 years of experience into manual testing, and I have 10 months experience with Amazon, but that is into manual. Yeah, I was not involved in automation. So and it was into contract roles. So shall I go for the product based company only or the services
Product based company only. You have to.
currently?
Okay. There was one person
Because I
who
only have
was
10
my
months
student. I'll tell you. There was a student of mine who was also a contractor as a manual tester, right? So he has taken the course and he got the knowledge, and now he's working as an automation tester. Good product based company. So same profile, same thing path. I would recommend you for you. Okay.
Yeah, same. So, but currently I am getting the contract to hire position only. So shall I go
Doesn't
for
matter.
it?
If you
Or shall I
have a
look for the
knowledge,
contract
right?
only?
Share your resume with me. I will help you to
Yeah.
get good interviews in the good product based companies also. Don't worry,
Okay.
because I get a lot of emails from HRs. I have to share some profiles also, by the way. Okay, I share good students profiles to the HRs also, and they get a job. Okay, so this is what also we will be
Okay.
doing.
Yeah. Pramod, yeah.
Understood? And
Okay. Yeah.
we will be targeting for good product based company. Chandan, understood?
Yes.
Not
Pramod.
the contractor. I have to pull out from the contractor side. This is my responsibility. Okay.
Yes. That's what I'm thinking. Because there is like 8 months and 10 months contract is there and they are not extending at
That
all.
we will manage. Okay, that we will see. Contractors saying something, right?
Okay.
It can be only through knowledge you can go out.
Yes. Right. Okay. Thank you, Pramod.
Prabhakaran saying, sir, you will cover the coding from the scratch also, right? Yes, Prabhakaran, we are starting from scratch and I will try my best to help you. If you think the roadmap is clear for 30 days also, right? And those things will work for you, that you can try. Okay. So this is what my recommendation is. Else you have your thing, right? Yes, Vidhi, your question, please. Go on. Guys, raise your hands quickly. Yes,
for that programming, no, as before enrolling the course, we had a word, right? So for the Python, I have to enroll another course to learn that programming and project assistance from what?
So for Python, syntax will change only. Frameworks, most of the things are same.
Yeah,
right?
that I know. I need an assistance for a project, no, for the program, not for the fundamentals, no, not for the libraries, not for the
But I
pandas,
will not code
not for
for
the
you, okay? What do you mean by
numpy.
assistant?
I'm sorry.
What do you mean by assistance? I will not code for you, okay? But I can
No,
help you. I can guide you.
I need help for programming and live projects to work. I know the fundamentals. I need to implement those things, and I need a helping hand. Like you must be having a sample program, small programs, like for the big, and then for the middle people, and then for the advanced programs, right? So I need that content.
That we are covering, no? That we will cover. Don't worry. In the lab
That you will
exercises,
be
I already have
covering. I mean, I
levels.
don't have to enroll for another course for that.
No, nothing. It is a part of that, okay? It is a part of that. Okay.
Achha, okay.
Understood? Okay. Yes,
Okay, yeah, sure,
Nikita,
yeah.
you have a question, right? Nikita, go on.
Sir, actually, I have 3 years of experience in a manual testing.
Okay.
And I have knowledge in automation testing, but now I have to shift in automation. So what I have to do? I'm a little bit confused in that field. So can you please
3
suggest?
years experience you have, right?
Yeah, in manual testing.
Actually, this is good. No, you are starting early. I
Yeah.
have right now, how you know what is the people who have 7 years experience, 10 years experience. And then they come to me, no, then I told them what you are doing when you have 3 years experience or 5 years experience. Anyways, apart from this, see, Nikita, right? The easiest answer is follow a roadmap, do live projects, add your projects to your profile, start applying with good companies. This is the simplest target that you should follow, right? Apart from the 4 or 5 hours of content that we are going to deliver, you have to do some practice also, which is I recommend. Add new projects, work on your resume, add framework knowledge, do coding questions, learn GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, and advanced concepts so that your salary will be little high. This will be our target. That is what I think your projection should be. Make sense?
Okay. Means I
So
have
my
to in a resume. I have to highlight the projects and all the things regarding automation.
Exactly. And CI/CD part is something that you have to add. That's why in the SDET masterclass, you have seen me. I'm teaching Docker. I'm teaching Jenkins. I'm teaching Linux basics. I'm teaching Selenium Grid. I'm teaching AWS basics. I'm teaching GCP basics. Why? Because this is important for the people who have 3 to 5 years experience for an automation to get a high salary. Though high salary people who are getting, na, for example, 3 years, if they are getting 15 lakhs, 20 lakh, 25 lakhs, for example, right? Those people who are getting this kind of packages, right? Why they are getting this package? Because they also have a knowledge of frameworks plus CI/CD. Those things I will basically start focusing for you guys. Make sense?
Okay. So, madam, I have to ask one question also from you, sir. Means the live project I have to do means with the help automation testing. How I have to do the live projects means can you
Live
please?
project is very simple. No, we will basically, have you done manual testing, right? Yes.
Yeah,
What you do?
I have done both manual and automation. I have done both.
So what you do in manual testing, you prepare documents like this,
Yeah.
right? Test matrices, test places, and everything. This is what we are going to create. After that, we will automate them. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And we will we will identify what are the important things, and then we will basically push them into a automation framework. Yes.
Yeah.
We will push them into a automation framework like this. Same strategy we will follow. No, we will pick the we will pick the 10 to 15 test cases and we will automate the project. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
There are a lot of projects which are available on sdet.live/website for practice. We will pick some good live projects which will helpful for us. Does this make sense?
Yeah. Yes.
So
Thank you,
this is
Pramod.
exactly the strategy. No worries, no worries. Guys, if you still feel shy, have a question, right? Go on. I'm here. Okay. Nobody should be left. Bomik, you are done or not? Okay, you still have a question. Okay. We'll take your questions also. Guys, this is your last chance to join and make sure you join it before 12 to get a bonuses also, right? Go on, Bomik.
Sorry,
It's
sir.
Baumik.
I've
Is it
yes,
Baumik?
BHOW.
Oh, Baumik. Okay.
No,
Go
no.
on, go on.
W is written, but vomit.
Okay, Baumik
Nothing
only.
is fun. Yes, sir.
My video stopped, guys. It is tired. Okay, my camera is tired, but I am not. Oh, what exactly you guys are seeing? 1 second, guys. My camera is hanged, but again, I am here. Okay, don't worry. Tell me. Go on.
So that time I forgot to ask how to connect to you for sending the CV and I need guidance for this. So I want to connect for.
sdet.club, easy peasy, sdet.club.
Then I want to connect it for one-on-one session for asking doubts in that time. So that's forgot to ask.
Join it on Friday session. You can. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Friday. Okay, sir.
Friday session. By the way, this Friday we have Yashwant, who will be teaching you as a beginner how to perform lead code challenges, how to perform hacker rank challenges, how to do logic building also. So there are 1-2 person, Yashwant, who is basically have 3 years experience in coding. He will be helping you as a beginner how you can jump to coding platforms and perform the coding questions also. So please attend the Friday session. It will be very important for you, all of you. Okay. When you become a part of it, automatically you will have a Friday sessions, by the way. And the next Friday session, I will be covering a concepts of how easy it is to learn Java within a span of 30 days. I will be explaining you the core strategies which other people have used it, how to perform the logic building and everything. I will be explaining you next. Okay. So this thing I will be discussing last. Okay. How to do logic building and everything, right? So this will be the part of your what we call next sessions of SDET Masterclass, and you become SDET Masterclass student when you join today's course. Okay, this is exactly understood. Any doubt? So guys, important before we, so there are a lot of testimonials. If you want to connect with me, this is the link, promo code. Don't forget. Let me give you the code. Okay. And special discount code is also there, right? And would it be worth it? Okay. If you get a single course where we will be covering manual testing, API, and automation, you will have a sdet.club access where 4,000 plus members will helpful for you. You are learning from a person who have 12 years experience in software testing, and you will have access to lifetime and master classes weekly. Would it be interesting? Right? Then you should become a part of it, and bonus playwright with which is coming in April end. All right. So this is the link. I think we have covered maximum of this. If you are still here and if you are alive, just give me yes in the chat. There are people still alive. Guys, you made it almost 3 hours with me. If you are here, Tejas is with me. Vandana, Prajakta, guys, you are awesome. I love it. Monica, Gaurav, Rajesh, Suganya, Shanu, Rohit, Prakash, guys, alive. You guys are totally serious. I love it, guys. I love it. If you are still here, okay. So this is the link if you want to still join. Okay. And I'll see you in the next probably webinar where we will be learning something new. Rajesh, your last question. I hope session was helpful. Your time is not wasted. We'll see you again. Okay. And thank you. Yeah, Rajesh, go on, please. Your last questions. Okay.
Yeah, Pramod. Like playwright will be also adding in this
April end I will be adding. Okay.
Okay, that is also live session or we are.
It is self-paced, but we will see a couple of things if we can cover on live. Okay, I'm planning in a such a way it should be live, but we'll see. But recording always you will be getting it. Okay.
Okay.
And that we need to plan. That I need to plan, Rajesh. Okay.
Yeah. And GitHub profile we are making, right? So every day we are whatever we are done doing the code and everything.
On the second day only, I will teach you how to create a GitHub profile and add your code.
Okay.
Vandana is saying thank you for the wonderful session. Akansha is saying wonderful session. Awesome, guys. Clap for you guys. Clap for you. First of all, if you are still here, A big clap for you from my end also. Okay. Rahul, yes, go on, please. Go on. Last question. Rahul, yes, go on, please.
Sir, what will be the procedure of making a payment?
Sorry, two voices are coming. Once again.
Like I said, what will be the procedure after payment?
What should be the?
Wait. What will be the procedure after making a payment?
Okay, what we have to do after making the payment? Okay, you will get an
Yes.
email. Okay, you will get an email, and if you still have a doubt or if you are not able to do it, there is this link WhatsApp. You can connect with me. I will be there. Okay, I'll guide you. Don't worry. Okay. Till morning you will get everything. Okay, don't worry on this point. Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
Fine. Thank you.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Enjoy. And again, just sharing the link again. I'll see you in the live classes. Let me help you to become an automation tester. I'm pretty much sure all of you who are here, you will too become an automation tester. Okay. Let me pin myself. Okay. Thanks a lot. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Sayonara. I'll see you in the live class. Okay. Bye-bye.